me ma akwaba at the bank crash adwumadi so di am so ni tekotego na nya me kan tenten nya nche se obia ye wo no na sabe sika tre nkura wa de besa sika nsuo anom ye nyina ye wo yen e wo kwan bi so a ye nyine ye be pede ye be ye na se ansa na wabra bo yie no e woni edo egu atwen proso said ya wunu wiase fa no sa na out here if you fill your mind with negative voices that tell you can't, you cannot. What I say? Near that wadwen proso chese wo de won samfata wo de won your mama wo de won timia wo opa to betis won timi nyoda. But when you foster on your mind growth thinking, so wo kan sampa eto wadwen proso a obetima ye. So you have to check what you spend your time on. Esa wo hwe nyoma wo makwan ma da wadwen proso. Ene yesi bibia ba mo friend telenova o se wa ma minim ni telenova. Ebe sakra wa brabo. You see, meanings are given to what you read, see and hear. Ade bia abehwe bia obetie bia wo man kirase na kirase na ka wadwen proso. Ene wo ne. Ye wo no enkyirase a kire wo nkwada bremu wo de wo wo franto magomen dia papa gro wo de wo say ene wo ne. You were not made to explore. You were not made to have adventurous life. You took misro, made the crowd you know, that kind of attitude now there nyini. And you won't even know suko enko pebi fu franka wa brabo mu. Look, disregard the fear of starting. Disregard giving excuses. And disregard blaming others and situations. Sanyo mana wo de me be misro, me de misro. Say ade papa nko a mensro, sha say empo sinto ba mu a obesua bibia afiri mu empo di nkugu a ba yie yese ne ma me ye ya na me ye nyam na ye ya na me ye enen yegina kura e de aso epim fom edo aden enen de se kan twedua enne e ma yenku yemfo nyina nketenkete se sa brantie a wotie me se o ka se ye mrantie miensa nti ye fie kura bi ba kodo na empo ye de abeba ko ni mienu bi si ho a dan kwama ye twa ebenu abe empo de anka dua ba miensa besi wa nan kwama ebeti anka aton. You see, mempe excuse bia efuo ye den empo kwadwuma ye mu wa ko school na bi don't find excuses and don't blame situations. Ena me de enkra me wo no me twan de nteye dabi ade na woton no enye obi na yoye ade na wakotwe a woton nye obi ma so na free de na wo so betime free wo mu a obi ma so ye beto ese se ene bebre so na mo a wonye ohun ni esa bebi a wo no nti wonye ne hun ni me de me fie kura. Look, so fie kura so fie krukasie mu ye nyina Nyankopon ensa no adwuma ni papa ko na yoye se phone no ye Nokia se Samsung se ye iPhone ni nyina ye phone me bo a wo de call ekọ sa de nipa bi ate se mfo phone timi na adwuma pepepa ena wo nipa Onyankopon de ne chip ehye wo mu ama akwan se nya gidie na gina kwa no na kodie bia ni we betimi agina ho adi nsunkunim we na make catch on a day e ba no abrabo a wo boyi a one of the biggest challenges is when you are starting from the bottom. Minishwe na me catch abante bi say obey yourself da me ni boafo me so wo boafo sempo okọ obi fie ekodo ne fie ano na da bia papa ne pie wo ne car no so wo na apra ne fie ano bi e dey na wo ye ne ha ba ye den so obesom so da me de madwuma me se me apra wo fie anu kaneke me am gina ho ebi na me yoye ba yempe osom yempe se betu ehu asi o abrante a wasi so okura phone kese omprafo be edu nti o fere so akwa adwuma bro no so be de no ayi yempe som ene eni ahobrase ene eni otwen honhom ene eni adesua honhom baka obenya adesua honhom na osom honhom na wape osom bi asomu a kanya ni ne nti brabo no obetuma start from zero me na me husband ma papa bi me mo di na ne fie kwa na me so abasike ka na ne ma no na wote brofo pa se dan kwa na ka bam sa me so me kusku ahwa brofo bi ehye mi nkran ene me ne osom a me koye ye no na me gya wo sika me gya no ohene ba se me kosom obi na me sua osom Yesu kra ka se o pese o ye kan deni a se o di kan esom a principle ebere we ase all great leaders were once servants. Therefore, don't afraid to serve. Ufie mu, wawade mu, som, nyahobrase ni obuo, nempo abrabo ebe wie pe. You see, everyone great or small, everyone rich or poor, everyone happy or sad, our life is an expression of our minds. Now, wedding kunim, wedding kugu, the aye, the di here, the diary of war, the di oya Nigeria, then I worry at it here, the worry na aye yadjini. Our life is an expression of our minds. Nothing comes to this world without first going through your mind. This is a phenomena that you must reflect on the things you allow in your mind. Do not harbor negative thoughts, dark thoughts, such as anger, hatred, jealousy, and suspicion. Instead, embrace good thoughts. Nanya bright dreams. So that I perform abrabo ma no kredie no odo nya kuduro.
Akasimedunum na no nsia boade shema ma yema mu nyina ache mo akwa abamfa Adom TV Badwam so ye dwumadie no na ahyase no na ye dani teku ase ni nkranhya nsam de adu so no kase nsam no edoso ne todwa mu bi ya wo betini Ministry of Health Ghana Health Service one more enya nkwada enuro na ye de abo won ho ban no de edikan ye de mu nsam no nkyeremu ebebremo asampa na ye Eshukufo ye wo ho de sese fie nkunwa no wo so ade ko school ade ko sua de sansemi ne sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo Facebook/Adom TV kase no ho say Go TV na wa channel 176 and DSTV nso a channel 280 medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mu tie se den sam no enchiremu ankasa etie Bebo some ba kuni die nkwada nnuro ya ye de bo won pane de bi so won manu mu na bo won ho ban free nyarwa hodo a wonya won krabre mu no eho ko atwe anase ho ye na ewo man mu ena ni gisema o man yate ne se Health Ministry ne Ghana Health Service won mo enya nnuro no ne edi kan kra ye de ebebo won mo eho ban Adom TV kase etwa so.
Like that arrived, we are hoping that the rest will join come in very soon. We are moving all the supplies to the regions and the facilities, and so by Monday morning there will be vaccines available for those who need it. The doses that are available is enough for at least a minimum of 6 weeks across the country, whilst the others are brought in. So we have enough doses to cover our need for the next 6 weeks. We are moving to the cold room, and the regional cold vans are waiting to pick them up and quickly send them to the regions and to the facilities, so that by Monday, as I said, we would start vaccinating all. These new vaccines are just going to help us do a catch-up to make sure that by the end of the year, all children who are supposed to be vaccinated are vaccinated.
To akasiano so na yankonsa mfofromo na school for year wasampa na ye DA cluster of schools ben apeguso ewo so jama mensin mo appointment mu na wo mu ni school nkonwa nti ene so opeso ohia de ye de fie nkonwa yi obohu na bo kwabrane ko ho dese ya wo mo adi ko school ye wo mo hawo school fo ebi ene achechefo ne Adom TV kase edi nkomo yi
X na yet a class so a heat and I am pack no so say for I intimindo na blackboard no so yes much so na mo ho afi na ye pe projector so textbooks na no back unti say pese ya na yet group unti ya feel comfortable pe some textbooks ni be my desk hit says ya dia hit so chi nti ye hia fam etu so tutu obinum de ekunya fifie ba
pacho ye ni JHS na ya class so na hit ena blackboard nso ye teacher twa na no ha ye finti e pe whiteboard
minkasa so table ameteson ehia bi ebinum ye de ebinum ye bedo nti ebinum so nya egu antena so ti ye pese woto ebinum ma ye nso ni ye tena so
Enwachi Head teacher wo asempa na yedi cluster of schools. Owura Chiknana Yaw Debra echire mu se school ye school ba kwa mensen no modie ache yie pa na nkonya wo ni nti no e ma de kire ne adesua no ntumi enko na nim se de sese eko. Na school mpanyimfo na bom homodin a ene mpanyimfo ehwenhumasua nsem so edi nkomo senka wo betumi abowo mo na so besi ne enya de sem mo bi afri ba bia aba.
No how ba kese pa enrollment no mo fran do na ofem pa timi kom na me hu se desk se ni school fu nyina 140 oha ne na oha anan ana 140 na se 25 decks no use ya ebi 33 na what desk ba akoso ina afi ebi so the kitchen stool ina fifie ba ebe de na mo fran no be school a obenya be bia akire ho enti na ya ahometew enti na ni sa no be se metu ho na mo kakra.
For regional coordinator ma assembly women ewo Ghana Yvonne Opoku Kwaten ene wodene nsamo to edwa chiremu se affirmative action bill ya bepem sabre enye mra no ehadwene nti ebra so se ma ya regional na sa bill yetimi keka ye ho na ye mra ebo oman. Adom TV etoso
of Ghana. The latest one we had in 2021 population census. Actually, I said still Emma, your door to chain mema. Nansu mema do na parliament. Enti send a program yana now a chairperson. Nana kunama dampu a kayano. Yamfa or dontina or maimu. No ma a man so yano do ya home. Send your buyer yen bi. Aden ho ba. So or per se, original position beer. Yebeka boom, near to a man. Na me did say Emma ye koye bebre anase ye dodo so parliament wa sa affirmative action bill ya our pipeline mu e konfie bedru no na me ad no be pie fi pipeline mu abaye law amagana manso yenso ye ho atoye am ye nya dibre ni bia ye proceed ni
Enwachi emajumedi womkopi ase ne bi enso ni Adom kase edinkomo no modane de se womani asopa se mpanyifo de dwumadi bi etise ehye so esan se ama womonya suahono ne nimde foforo no mofa konya ne so de fotuo ema wona dwumadi bode hye so no so momodin ase de hura omobo no womunjai bo ne mom no wombekoso abo na abo ma manso so ano adwodwom
se eye ne mom news attendance ni wofo because omo ntimi ambo de ro no bebre memba bebre ntimi ayede amba next time se bibi sabe koso na Benfinshia aduonum edi 50 years and adishia ye war de gengam e opandai mensinimo e northern region wo munhu enyinama hodenda den so nei kane wo mrahye bedwani Matthew Nyindam adaromanti enne ekuro na nyankane Adom TV etwaso
umbola tete to unaka do sa chatina ya no ne umbola na do wata ki grupa ninu baya no zuki ba ko umbola ngani fama ngati mawo
Enwachi mesni krache opandai owura atako fi Emmanuel efa konya ne so de futuo e ma de hye wo den gangam nyina se wo momodin ase wo be adwumaden na kane mrahye bedwani anamo a watui wo mo insua sanso no hye wo mo nkran se nkane ya sese won saken wo momodin ase wo mo light bill wo mbetwia na abo ma aban no edi ne dwuma yie
sabato no bedru a na edi echemu yi eno kire se e ba be sere mo se mo sumo boy enti ye be sere kromu mpenifo ya mamenam yunanam wa ha ye fi akwa ye be sere mo kasa nkira afa ya MP kai no wo start free ka banwole all mati sa be se abedru ha police station baku enu ha ya tinwa wen eni nyina NDC na awen na mbua onabo matu edi bua mo no e wo digangan bola osawasa bingali nyina matu abatia no oyobi a yo pese ofa mama no akobesa agina de
ndange umbola tete to unaka
Kane Presiding Bishop da Methodist Church of Ghana your most reverend titles Kofi Awotre Pratt and they were to edwase omei atosini woni emabumu titu wono korikamu na 25th anniversary ase ye Mamprobi South Circuit asori no womudi ye na sofpani de nsemi koto dwachiri mo sejuru die ne keta ase hyanso amano koradie kurampo nso aboye nyina ebra so se wose yetenase ne adwene so man emasa ne ma bia etwe ye san no etim sesa ya adwene efre ho
on say de akobasa ne say one wawo mmɔfra a yɛne wɔn sisi anum bebree naa yɛ teenage mothers nti ɔmo hu mfaso a ɛwɔ education mu nti sɛ bia obi be spending money on his word no saa de na ɛni hɔ nti awofo no bebree no ɔmo hu die nti a ɛsɛ ɔyere no ho ɛboa ne ba ma ɔkɔ n'anim ɔmo hu that thing.
Eno achi opanyi pa wono eda asai grow organization no ano enso ka edito aso se empronyi sen ama no muso ho no mu nyina no ejina sika wofo no eni ene se de woma wonani enko wo ma no ehu na se oguso ekasa no impanyefo guso ade nhyehyeye egu akwema ebehwe na empronyi sen amaso ate.
Sex education say enemu adekere na adesua na say wo ma wo ma no wo hu eto de bia sebe oberema kro obebo din ne ya ma ne din foforo oba no ne vagina na ne bia ne ya ma ne din foforo nti abofra no enhye de nim oninim de emfa nnemu ni ade nti bibi kakra bi ana obi ka bibi kakra kire ne pe na sakra na adwen na akofa saa ohawa eye mprewani sen naba nti mesre awofo a wo mprempren wo hwe wo tie nyina no asa igro ya factory ye ho so se afi eko ne afi mfi eda yanim no ye be sore na ya twemumume ede atia eye mprewanyin sen
Monfancha ye kane bishop presiding bishop da Methodist ye no ye nya nemum we no eye head teacher owo aboma ya DA basic school so jama mensimu wapoye mantemu Anderson Nathan ene atichu bi e kasa ye fampe wanyin ye ne amane muso e wo ho a wo msuso se ya wofo ye nya ya sedie nti e na ama nkwada no atrasa miento akase no so na ye nko ye nsamfoforo mu adehye ya wo mo e wo pani emisanso ene die wo mo ate den efise bre bi atwamu na wo mbambo mu nsamo no ne nkoyie kura nanso wo mo nuan mu bi ya konkofo aman so akeka wo ho aboma ne street light and on the other chronomo, Adom Cassie, it was so.
A ma chrono emu enye anika. Untina amana no for ana pensafo abawo wiase afana nyina. Ye to was a betikuo na ye the light abakuru no na niema bi a sebio producer eni kuru no no ye betimi agidito na ye de abakuru no mo ene ma de light be ye dusi ana di oson de bakuru no mo enu nyina chi no ye ko chip compound ho na omu nse de ni fridge a omu de store omu nro ye de fridge ko hodom
enu achi ohina wo pani na misa ede to na de hye ni nyina nim se wonko so anka wo humbom na na bi ati sei no wonyere won ho a enye
wa wonka ku no na se wo mu a wa ye ho te se bi a ni wo mu a mengu mesre mo se munyina enne me kasa me kasa so obi a fa no hunwure ku no se benye sika nkwa na ye de tikuo woni bi kura ama wa ho keka enma obi a wo bi hu se apaku no wo etie nyankopon ne to nipa nsem mo a wo mu no ne ewunu e bia ye bia nso oso be bi sa na se eba se bentobo bi so ne mudi a obi a nkeka no ho na kakra wo so betumi bia no oso fa be ye na fa bo a kuri
for Presbyterian Church of Ghana ene womo ede ahusiesie dwumadie bi ahya so se tu adehye no mfo afa efi eho ye koso e wotachiman wonbota ye nyina ne se yanwa hodo yenya e wo fi mu bebrase na yama ahunidie eho nsem ehiaye
mu ma ne nye 9 day wonder bi no mu nko no mu nsa nko Yesu ban a ede sa ne ma no ba ne mum omu nhwe se baby a omu tibia efie mu baby omu didwa omu ntoto niema ntu basa ne mum omu ba hwe se omu bedanso ewo nipa ni nyina mu se be ya obi ahu na obetimi asua se we num de omu ye no eye entimi nsua bi me fi se ye koso ekasa kire ye ho a ebeboa ye pa
enu achi assemblyman owo abamu abato mpeso so owura Andrews Nyako eda Presbyterian Church of Ghana no ase owo ndwumadi odehye so nti na wo hyebo se oni assembly no eba beka won ho abom na modem mrapie gu ho no ma no behwe se won bro no ene won potemo no obetumi edinini
ko baby ti se wa station ebetuma dubia be 4-5 days bia na yempra ho ni nyina ye se omo pra ya na ahokyere kakra yɛ den ewum drivers ni bit me parking the car all of a sudden onyi na wura na choki car na yɛ ase so that on plan adwo anopa no momma nti tajuma so not market ho dodo no atim bedibia awa anadwo na yɛ free ayɛ kɔ no na wura asan ba begu yɛn chi nti afa ne yate sa task force ne sɛ ɔmo nyina bɛboa sɛ ne bɛyɛ anadwofo no so bitima yɛ den akompotu wɔ mu ho nti ne adabafo no so gusu di nkɔmɔ aside say provide dustbins no any bucket ahoro a yɛ de bɛma wɔ mu no ɔmo so ne passengers ne nyɛ den enkasa ma yɛn
yeah 0.65 so na stakeholders ahodo ya wo mo abene wonim de apomodin mu no wono mo hia ya wo mo dwendwen kwan ya befa so na ya de nhihye bi beto ho na wo mo a ewo kidney ho how ewo my Ghana mu no ye behwe aboa won pani a woda internal medicine department ewo ho teaching hospital professor Wuku Asante yaw ena di tuja kire mu se wo se ye san nhihye no de boa wo mo a kwa ahohiahia mu ewo won kidney ho Adom TV etwaso.
There's huge distribution of dialysis services in Ghana, and like I said, Volta and OT, you can only get it in Volta. So you can imagine somebody from Keta, he has to come all the way here and go back. No issue. So we need to look at it, making it more accessible. Out-of-pocket payment for dialysis in Ghana, quite a big one. You have cost up to 500, and maybe some place 600 per session. And I've told you that we need 3 sessions a week. Ideal. So you let's use the 500 to calculate. So 1,500 a week times 4, 6,000. This is just for dialysis. Don't forget there's transportation to the place. There's erythropoietin, which is also not paid by the insurance that you have to buy. So if we want to really look at it very well, you are paying about 8,000. These NCDs, including chronic kidney disease. So it has to be at the policy level and disseminated downwards to all of us. Healthcare services to provide equitable and proper access to care for chronic patients in times of emergency. How do we do that? We have to think about it to be able to get it done. Government should include emergency preparedness plans in the management and detection of NCDs and favor the prevention of these conditions. There's a skill.
No so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na hana bema kwan na ye de asie ye da sepa no mre no wadaje ye de adu so no de bon krata no aye krado ko online stories no so eno so wo ho ye de bro o man ne kwabna sante ejane na so ye toa edwumadi so be me na no pay ye mu ache
nya me jo so na ye ni brainti no ka me kan sem bebre ye ni bre intino Kame kansem bebre.
Wani asim pusu.
Asan wakuri.
Sorry why you.
Wo na fi asim ti la da ya de.
Mpu de.
The design was the same stress no.
Sandra Kapo.
Sandra Kapo.
Enya dokun kwan no nim ye.
Oh, jaje o cheche Sandra wa Kapo hapo. Sandra Kapo.
Sandra Kapo.
Hey, yeah, 20 pounds you. Sandra Kapo.
Sandra. Adaroma.
Sosket.
That's.
When you are couple into the wash a air hostess for no my audi share precope. Sandra Kapo. My mama sempa yakwa. Akosia sempa. Me nua me no wa Adom FM. You are part of the multimedia team. Just our pampa muna apa and our there Sakura. O papa film. Ti kusepa na yako ana shedi. Ti yebeba adaklu. Na so ni bebe adaklu. Okay. Obo because kwa de utwembo kwa chiro e kwa ni won bebre. Ti adaklu fo nyina e chairman opei. Asempa de yeba. Onyame ya adoma. Nti asempa woni obusuafo ne wadofo nyina yeba mu nyina yako kwasi asempa presenter multimedia Adom FM. Ena ejuada ebra so se nsema hodo atojo de broadcast e de bro ba afia man kwa di ka ka cho se wa onim se e bedwam or Adom TV multi TV so nya afi na yebe keka nsem bi wo hwa Adom TV wi abiri bi adam ka say kosohwe wo hwe bedwam wi akosohwe Adom TV ti ono ma papa e de maw is very important Ghana mountain so no wo hwe afia mankwa ne squad na sister Sandy be a guy ne eye anochiwaba na wo hwe ozinzim oya mini pe abuna poku ya ozinzim oya Allah wallahi omu demand na nkasa ma wo se mountain esu ankasa
no I can't brand for multimedia na ye di
ankasa Debbie ma yi nipa me omu di ankasa yenko jame na mo same ho
ase ya gase tutu
yenko jame na mo same ho
yase tutu ntuma untutu
ye hwe na wo sa
we are ready akapo ho bedress of
we are simple yenko jame afede abroso so fu bi aduro to abroso
eduro belu
onim gra o atwe afia bagwade onti se bibi onim afia bagwade no bebre oni dia so oti health programs and I mention na o she teach Dr. Saab je do check abro so pam sebe e cost ogara no eti e damu nyina asasa abehia de bia da ka che phone nyame accident di onyame de dane che onko ade a ese se o da nyame asema ne boss because ne nsem bi wa o tete obi fa ha de chia ese wa free mu obi wura ha de chia ese o da ho ntimi sori eti wo de we nyina parew na o timi koba sere didi de na oji owi ase do nipa okwanso nkoso fu ya komapem nti oba online stories na Efiaman kwa di abetua say Akufo-Addo silence on a shaman military brutality unfortunate era appeaje etua anakase oba entertainment is so afia I say Whiskey splashes millions on new Rolls Royce almost the omo no entertainment career. I never gave Fred Nyama and I was watching this video seriously now for
for 20 years been friendship for 20 years.
But I disagree with John Domelo. You shouldn't have just ignored that 20-year relationship and Fred Nyama so no say on car hwincho but you say na dance for omo yi dance for no ho ka che na and Fred Nyama Don Domelo say enye ne kore say na dance for ya say any dance ni omo yi no
o che say
so otis say
John ka say onko
enti no nsem na me kan hwe wo si maka do you true for say me kan hwe that's also maka we true for say oni dance e bia na bidi say dance o ya dance kumu na odi no tini na so unsu so
anti ya behwe o say promise radio ono ayi belusu nuama belusu
oh say it's written on the wall
o belusu
nuama it's written on the wall
that what
that Dumelo na obi a close to gab say and then this is the say I mean the
about well yes
paying for prayer I went into debt trying to secure a miracle I see
so
read and abetiasi right some of those to jawo hospital the hospital ma to me see where me and told you the worker tells the new crusading guy say Chumesiwa Hospital killer grabbed. Detailed accounts of how NIB nabbed main suspect within 48 hours, and police dragged whom Achempemhene to court over Galamsey. Any man will say NIA response to Jampo on Ghana card comment, and I will reveal secrets of MPP if they dare me. Era Kennedy Japan Anakase. The Chronicle of the Democrat, 6 pastors of Divine Healing Church sue overseer and others, and then the big one. Finding killers of Trooper Imoru Sheriff, military drops massive security cleansure. And also one them the Daily Graphic say a Shaman soldier's death, 6 suspects arrested by police, and Black Star players to miss Achu's funeral Friday, and attempting to influence Judge Chief, another convicted of contempt. Anna a Fiaman Kwa story and Gilly said the whole week. Immunization resumes for 3 childhood diseases. The Ghanaian Times at the side of childhood vaccines land in Accra. GHS begins distribution to regions. And gold catcher key to mercury-free, responsible, small-scale mining. President Anna Kase. But the interesting one, I'm a Fiaman story for the week. Ono the apomudi honsem de oboa. Tinkwada dru krasa kwa hwe sa no na bibi to no so nyame ncha de worker ta wodo nyina de abasa ne ya sha ase
ne no ma start distribution
mia hodo a betimi aboa bibi wo betimi da so
eno ha ne ye ken na ye nhwe na fe mu ye kidney ne so ehoban ye no mu nsuo nsanom ye nyai ye nye exercise fi say kidney no ana eboy ehoban eso ne ne mafi ni free ye nipede na adan na jonso na say yan hwe amoho ban a be wi achi na
o Thomas ma wo say etisi apomudi won sem say
aya say na hadwe ya problem ye story ba ko ye a doctor for anim before atena say a on person hye da ho no ma ye de bo won wa anya problem wo mu kidney ho because kwabna say enye do the end stage na na no odin but ahase na mu mpanifo hu na etu hu na mo sai betumi aboa me enkodu hu ansa ye check mo prostate no so mo check my
say mo say after 40 and I say yem famra from
30 crowd dey check it o dey check na hwe said na ho odin na tie
ya ka prostate fa ni agro me ma ya ba ko so a eja wo mpa no me dem ko free 40 no ko dey wasa tia ba no form say 30 ko nyina keka ho osmo o follow within that range ko check it Thomas o bo nsem e ma doctor no nye nsem bo na I say me am ko to machines e dey training si fi me to free papa no say crash eniba bebre abeto da kwa decoration wo fiu niba bebre iji u to treadmill now to den now to we usika na meje nka meka say me dedie na mo mudi ko si fi akwa decoration pa de nka jai ko nipa bebre ato e de decoration u ba be change instructor shani putu wonum sa
on fa ba ko
kra tin ya fa hujina
Tia no ene si awie
okay
bia mo no ho ban no ane hia sa
ti e beda wase ene juada ekopem ne juada no Mr. Onanto nyansem ni ahweyim na dwene Ghana ho nti nya de bia da hyenso de amiensa we be patriotic na dolman na afi o se tu ho che na wadi nukure so ama oman se sa su miensa we da na wadia e boy yi pa ma bia timi kokama ye de si ama de di ho na bana de di ho no e ma refisa semedika enen so ye wo ahosepe ye wo agokansie ye sa wo nkomo sronko ene obebo ansa na mpensempensem mu kraba tie kwaba well Mamisan ka obiam 13th of March 2023 asem edika ebrena associate bro edika ka cho say e free juada copy me fiada nyoma hinta enoma yintiminka enoma ekoyi de enkoyi de abutu say Daniel Nino ni nyina de bro Monday to Friday presidential staffer presidential correspondent Enchebiano assemblyman for Inshaisu South Agosi Machi
Obi amakrofo abobia
assemblyman for Inshaisu South edi Inshaisu for se mo potem bia for Inshaisu South
ela no bi share we say eti oka presidential staffers na so who list no oh list is ebi akwasisia
the best of it by as a president to kwana but me the catches there on staffers no me person John Mama be friend na catches the former president because he catch mo na mo staffers am to am ye no man sem fatan so on your presidential staff I was matching you
but you so baba call there
come on
ya me ase
good that ben crime say Friday in rather no be so was medical so no say mo mrasha my rather
okay
na mo aftermath na me say oh no dem gidi say moto one upon and I'm at the right time baba what's happening this morning
kwabra boko say response bi asha say but chene be ya adwuma bi
okay
so kai Accra New Town asem na kai no
yes minister my 48
minister
hours
200 amount
oh
into chene be ma amount for the full picture
okay
of an amount to the 48 hours na minister de my wo bedwam so yeah ma amount for say ampa otim de osia ye oyo anasi went me and for sia
adu anu ye duru ani bi
ochina yeah mama for
minister wo ya said it for year 48
hours now the greater Accra regional minister Henry Cote e de emma ye
we be wa ya
yes o kan wa ya o kan wa ya say omun closing down ta na kasa kredo one o chine me the full picture of say ampa so atimi closing it down anasi otimi enye ye mama for achi ebiem no ma quick last name because and pay me ho ade bi I think so also for taking them a bit serious
okay
and now no pa be 425 yeah maybe she akwada me no ma she uniform
omuko school agwasi ko fa asem kase na ba na Accra stay by plan say how ni ba ko no wo dey say 4 no dey wire there 3:23 am maybe I me free ba no so mo be gina kwa ho because ma me no nkasa ko makola anaka ntamanto obi anso ni field na chi be gya no Accra no nyina me gina ho anya fast and for uncle Jum, uncle B store, answer for number uncle school. Into a shot. San Colorado no. Do school honoma and that a priority. That is it. Teacher about more, but no news a problem near that. A problem new fifi. 2. We have now coffee and you mention or the bed 9 p.m. 8 p.m. Nan kwadano at the trot room and I'm to my 4 cam. Now for wedding or coffee. So it tells you that from Okodufi 8 now on that once. Yes. About a homework be all crowd by or make Jinan consum. After a page, I said, I could carry. We are out there at 3 a.m. You are still getting up. It's a
for your best I am watching, but Toman, a shaman.
Oh, a shaman. Yes.
A police for Adam, a chinipa, a senior, a woman, by no uncle. I did be a coso, a man who bet him ne. Ya can't want some that's so idiot. Who show TV show about story be that's so lynching of Equia Dente. It's the 23rd of July 2020. Obeka ma me Equia Dente yama football no ko do say so obaifu. Yes, I was Salagan in Potemo. The Ghanaian mentality say obia de boninti yemfa mbrane hye sem ni embrim nipa no ano ya yedin. Ano ya yedin. Eno na me read UN report bi. Even quite Kenya quite the air time crash to the extent say afibia nipa besa henum enewu because of instant justice. Nipa henum 500.
Wow.
Afibia. Because nipa bi susu say, nipa bi dwen say, nipa bi kai say, nipa bi adwen omo say. Sa niam we nyina ye niam a ukokora ne Bible a ebinim. Ukwa constitution bi em wo wiase ba bia ebinim.
And many me are in was young tit.
That is it. I know a ya de says so my young chance here and 2-1 number 1 a be affected ye. Ya gas will be the body a mere cananim. But I be himself say ya found shake the partner won't put the shoes him say. Says swam pass and you know yes up on it now. Yamia Adom the neck, Kumasi Kejetia, as I know Abrasa Kakra. Way back 2009, 2010, now it looks as if say every week be a bunipa, best num. Oh, Kumasi Kejetia.
Even when Kumasi Kejetia was not organized like this, now every day and every week you cry. Every week you're watching every day. There was something happening.
And look at this one. See, as you are calling your body.
Hey, Bessiasi.
Come, as you are calling your body.
Oh.
Yes, you will be a fuma call your body. And to Croman, you not talk so as Sinabo Econo. Yes, Sinabo Econo cry. Ade. And another one in another region. So call we are a merchant a Ugan. It was also sa. Yabunakuno sa. Eti ya betrasi wo mema be ye hu sadi we mu atrata hu say ya de sa hye dem fam say enko so because actually change to them.
Wow.
In front of police station. Change to them. Oh my. And if your TV so who Facebook so abra Adom TV me. Wow. Ye sin abo na kuno. Ye change to bi so mu. Ya bro bi mo so mawu because yesu so say ya dwen say ya ka say ya de say esimesi ya konfo
ye ngi system no so ndi kakra
eno ho na kwa me ba no ho ne asem no ho nom ani asem no eno na make about honorable JB Dan Kwadu kwa bra e confidential so ntamnie ni pa boni fo kwedi papa yi emim era so twetwe asem wo court. You're such a assembly court. It is a timamuni at you. That's an adri ayeli say. Sabio say nipano, everybody say. That's a kokana say. And Ramachina said, yeah.
From Ranashe Bottom.
Membership bottom. I mean, Cotinano Chief Justice Kaye. Yankasi and Pentem one thing. But it should be speedy trial, especially in case of criminality. Sebe ya be sana ho ediama obi bia o ka hu bia sebe obi ametimi enani akwakwo de akire hu se ba bia no ekeka kono anu eye nyese ye de nipa ku na omran betwe na so de a ene tempa a me kopere nipa no ekuku no But some dream say, I said, go do court, never did fish to, if you shall me a self fish soon, and said at 10 years, you ma. Nipa some fun of beer 5 years, 7 years, but no, who cry.
Another unfortunate incident.
That is it, Major Mahama.
I'm in Pessia. You show crab.
Unfortunate incident.
Very strong. Young man, yeah. No, not
2017.
Another unfortunate one.
I was some sir up to now. The suspected case of Major Mahama at the Sujina court. And notice you will be Major Mahama Bushemu. Now so be here say, obeying him sir. The next will be Basamin for Honcho. Because me change my Ukumia, best 2017 up to now. 2017 and then 2023. Check the number of years. Medika come and cast a young pentable water. But some should check Katas be bresa, ne harding. Openi Mahama, NPP, a regional chairman. You're someone for because she asked good, so I say, I will say Metifluman table, a bepimne, and I just may be eating. At your best say your policy for, your best say your court, your best say instant justice, etuka. Your best say man for your Gideonia Reshamu, and your hotoswo, and your court system. Ya pese kwa kodu be bi no ni ba beka se oh se metrasi fi sha be se me sakra pepe ye betimi aye adwuma etimi nya se me se na so benten e fa de mabra na mra ni ni ba se ye ba be jai ni sa amna ba beka sa e be ha dwen chief justice e jana so enana na judge bi e ka e sa ko se to da bi a enye ye o because ye de trans se ya adanse ye de anim no e na de ye adwuma nipa wo bokwaru ni begina on masabio adanso so bo abo no beba na bia kam etimi nyina so nkobu atenya esefata so ye me see a police for the intelligence na mo so tura bia motimi nya mo de kwachi obenti na asase me se on na sa boni we wodi ye so based on that intelligence no I say evidence stay kire na asem ko pe okwato ankoche
well assembly bi should say ene court ko Ghana na ne bo na ye din eish Sebia obetima jibre na at the right time so wasa isa hwehwe nim no e dia man so what is it
yes
and because o ko file wasem kra no e ho asem no kra no enya de kit
so mututu mafi
na me ka say obetia be say 18,000 Ghana cedi
yeah
nipa dodo say na wadaro makwasi you know so all these things me just say obetima jibre so dia
and not the lawyer ba kokko court today 1,000 Ghana cedis
for the fuel
depend on yes
on charge
depend on some crocra na or handle.
Ejina some crocra
say or handle no. We 1,000 the average and the minimum. Say because e bia make we dey board there banchi bi you also mam 1,000 am dey ko.
Be japade bi hu.
Japade bi na ehwe ni ye asem kese. Ti be se court no. Na me dey kaka yan kase yan pentemu mu atem but e wodi sem e che court be bra temamufo e for hwadwen.
All right, akwasi me gidi say kadodo na o be ka ba brinti no. Asemidika edibisian say watch this space asemidika opotem omantem odwumam ofie obotom obewurem enche bia na oyi nyoma wo nyina e ntentan ne dia ba abonten akosi ye disi o ma me oba mebo a o hwe me so hwe mfo se oni ate oni nto o buhwe o ma me oba na
me fa check ese koma me papa eye edwira hene ba mo hene e confirma me papa eja say very say yawo edwira baba so akra be child of person
edwira baba so
e no so na me 7 years wa ware
oh de se onka o de to waje e ka ziba o de only was supposed to na mfie makobako so ampedu kra e o se na wo please I am mom fa we into radio and TV so 7 years just in your marriage life and you are here talking
obi ware 3 weeks
trust obi ware 3 weeks just here yeko
kesi me de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so medwendwumadi so dia wo kan se wo sempa sa kana no pan so ja medin di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Walasa gudi catch back pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the regional Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya na me kono quantum cordens modu ensa kana no penso e wo Ghana gudim eja shano so ma se nwuma koni emiensa wo na bom ska dwete me na no pe den common eba 1x birthday. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Birthday in Tasmo which is which one before trying to kuma bien so within Kuma San Manum. Or more than that, so per birthday a 1x bet. Omni my boys your more financial freedom New Year. A Boamanama 80 quid. More than that, so do who between San Jim Nemo bet do. Why you between San Boom to bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika Yano and no any extra bet. Jeff fast message doing so infections do. Gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet and asudi pon achua or set to make a Jefferson, no subitia bois, emaniama, 18 to 2 years at the amount. Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampa super pimona, say, do it 2 year dear pain. I say, a bois, a multime, and your found the modern so on sabitia can sedimo gel and roll on. Okwa shaman, me market, or Tim Sampa, so your phone order, but still. On Sabitimia can be a tona food when each time me market and so on Sabitimia I can be from 0208219129 now on a sedimo gel a roll of phone paying for Yandri Trim so to be a cotton and I say to the Ayawan Casahono, it beats me to be at the summer. Wemo and sponsors in the mood to 20 touch a woman and open so you then come on at me a jow. You shall see the fee English Premier League, a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins the very first step there. Yes, English Premier League, your friend Sancho, Spanish La Liga, Manchester City, St. Pierre, Spain, Real Madrid 3, Espanyol 1, after Atletico Bilbao 0, Barcelona 1, we any Spain so en common. And say, there's a Spanish La Liga, San and Yamai course was Spain Mountains, so and I met Timuka at the Amabati and to Mamma for Binary Fise under 20, or African Cup of Nations, 8 to Jason Segana, Yentian qualifying Punam Pessetia, Kujino Sakins Menra, Womo 8 me the final 8 certain time Sunano, Memeda area, Ketaban Suna Sakins, Kessin it Metuja, Senegal, Eche Gambia, Echom 2-0, and Senegal 4 and Eche Gambia for Chom 2-0. A AFCON under 20, Oma Kinsi Kessi, Tuja, the latest champions are. Omo ewo town when you need can cross Senegal for Saba question be wa fimu o mai bebrebe ni we ne toss best 9 kra na o ma kire mbobre yen kwa I am fair ni kire mu ewo week 21 Ghana Premier League sena matches ni Asia course Go Stars and House of Folk for their against the team so 90 minutes of soccer fiesta 1-1 and 18 PM Medina Stars 1 and Mediama Sporting Club 0 Kutukuru as for omo area league log national and ra penny behwe ewo Theater of Dreams omo timechi be United 3-1 Afenso Karela 1 and Strataman 0 Brekum Chelsea 1 Legon City 0 any matches I would between St. Pierre and Bibia Mikrema we any match between Sabaso Accra Lions and Krajata Omoton Sada Fred Dreams FC no matches kind na yenhwe match Sibia etimi eto femenra.
He's lost possession and Go Stars will search forward. Here the goal. It is Go Stars looking for the second. Banahini, it's not beaten of Orienchi. Next stop for Go Stars will be away to Kilfai Darling, Kumasi, at the Kwame Chase Sports Complex in Abrankase. Ibrahim Salif takes it, and that's the equalizer! The Fabians have equalized! Isaac Mensah has broken the hearts of the Go Stars fans here at the dance park. They never say die until the bones are rotten. Good delivery from. And see matches it means say PM ni no, but the co has of for catch your assistant coach and or caretaker coach at the Macras of Fukuno, a friend David Dexon Uklu, or no essay any Ajapa, I was an Yama Asia course with media, or money be any Go Stars for editing time soon.
Initially, I told you we're going to fight hard and take a good result home. I was expecting a win, but it's unfortunate we couldn't get a win. By a draw, thank God. Let me say 39 points more. So if you just imagine 39 points, we can still win it.
And the coach David Dexon Uklu, assistant coach Edmar Krasofuk, now the caretaker coach, and I ought can say Ojan and Semoka Kremra with Mikunya draw. I was Sarkins, Cassie, Times and Top, but you call a summer test and Swakachia, Oman Great Olympics for Eddie Akinsi the 20 times. So, but Ukuma, coach and worker after so ordinary neatness and feature and BP Morgano. I said, Nijumedio didn't call any Nabanechi, but in ra, Womo in your draw, or Mackenzie and Kuma, or no Sudijani.
Say it's a credit for my team and for myself and my technical team. In fact, we were here to pick all the 3 points. That is our target, or that is what we planned before coming here. But if God has given us a point, we'll thank Him, and I will in fact congratulate my team and my players for a good job done this afternoon, evening.
Nti summer test for a draw no ana coach ana worker eko ho na ase aso no draw ana oko ho na ase aso nyame adoma ede nko no bibiri na ebetia sabo ne aka nie ene ntimi do besi abahye no so mam say 1xbet. I've always told you that betting there is better than sakawa. And in time we cheni so twa before din before twa kuma bia odin kuma sa no manum ene ti bomodin da ka kire busuafo na fofo yere ma wo fase for say the way only one way pen betia bomonya financial freedom 1xbet na mu bet di wa wadwene betia bom ntimi sre utwa better na ode adwene kakra etia to ni mu firi nwotwe so a emfa ho engim je fast mixture droi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di podroi boa prapra wahrawa na omna bom ma otimi di nchineche nti bomodin da sa on sabetia kabina fi sedimo gel and roll on droba ko to pain ya odi asefi wedi nim na eba emaunya eye komisa e wasetrem bomodin da se on sabetia kan obetia from 0208986731 na on sedimo gel and roll on yentwehwe nkomo still in the Ghana month we do be see na madawase sister Sandy be a guy me ba na hwese ne mesi kwa obona ni powder na powder ode ba na nya asem keto akwa na habe ni kan ti ka kire busuafo ne na fofo so bia emfa na nitime sanchim ye mehwe Adom TV me dey the professor Iki wala sagudi catch ba kope the only nomenclature the professor's green sports and the evidence based sports presentation it me jawo rather than any man onye okese you fi be leader so ni na onfa nko be leader so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.
All right, so now try and celebrate you before. Sir, I can't try and send you before. Ah, okay. It's all him your 8 to the cat no why. Okay, bye. Bye. Germany for any Ghana man to go. Yes. Just say celebrating ade no. Sir. Or many Japan. And this year now so you come with them. And you come ya fa ni agrofa. It's me say want na say na celebrate you before. Sir. And say if you ba change adofo na. Okay. You want some friend na hima. Ene ye mamu nyina kwa ba e ya hosepe ene ne ye dey bro ne ne ye queen ba ko pe. Ene ye celebrating or and only young Kasayam Papa when you're baby crawl, Mr. A. Mr. Kwesiam Pofwa J. And he celebrating or Monty and yes, Sister Sunday. We are guy. Well, so you get PJ Muka cry. Oh, him about today. Nana, Papa him and Papa him and Nana, to Tata. Yes. Hey, no, small more him and you. Nana told Nana Boko. Nana for yet. Nana Boko. Yeah, give it to them. Yeah. Aha, Coco him and Nana bro. Yeah, and Poto Papa. Wow. That's for the canoe. Aha. 2 weeks ago you can said na be oh my diso na na show moda makoma so ye dey da mo pa na me tie ne ye dey potompoto aba na be che na kwa aduane kwa dodo na na be afi ba fast na de na ma na ya botrema ye na ye dey aduane ne ye bedidi e dey okay akwa aba ya odo na se ye hwe na na echi no bosi me be remu next na na e kan ye ho anya afi ba ko okay ye yam pa o piao e no no Amen. Amen. Show. Amen. I know be show. Na be kind. Nana, if na free be kind busuan ho. Wan ni abna opoku ahwene oyokoba asonaba. Wan ba ne wo. Me da se me ba abna poku ahwene. Piao. Achimni eka se otini me kanisa achimo surase ho na me na fibretu abusuam ti me na ya do ayo ochini sa kanfo so de yedi enade na maja so ye oboni o makura se ye isase enti beka se me ye achim kakra na kwa kakra ba chi de nyina ya poemantemu aha na kokko na metena ye ho ne ye wo me school nyina ho na me call ye ho na me ware ye wo ye na se madwuma se na chi break ho na se wa oh my worry ko fopia ya mo pictures ni ade mo bisa so me meeting ko twan 20 na wa worry oh my worry wa worry wo ma me wo ma me yenu me ma kantin ka me yenu yo na no kisa kra oh boy juma na ya na wa ni sa him kakra twa ko kakra mai twa ko kakra ya he no Nana, I say Nana.
Modern queen mother.
It is Hanet here. A bunny Eduma, which I say Life FM. So on Coco. Okay. If you want to manage, I'm a deco high from my BTF. Okay. Samba high FM on Coco. Equa go FM on Coco. And I watch me. Oh, much. What am I watching? And Coco no one. I want to say to be front of me bed the DFM. They will encourage her. Okay. Omni Bright TV. Sisters enjoy that. And to be free, one is my dear Bella do multimedia. Ah, Busumi Bessie Ubenya 1 year. Papa, Busumi. Nothing Abenya 1 year. Come out, send Taji baby. Hey, Nana, Jeff, if you're not fan alarm for face. Oh, sir. Dr. T. I say a connection. It is a way real. Then you say be and you be a fake. It's a way real. There be a real person. Real Nana. Munya sa connection. Michelle be real. Real. Oh, ni papa one question na maso oni mote sa wodo nipa chese dia bi kan che nipa bebre amabeto multimedia no kre ni nyame anim moya de wodi me kabusua no ho ntem ye be TikTok real nana ye be to aso come on ye bi wo ho ye bia so we share ye be ko radio na ansana nana de wonie na opani titu ba ko bi ka ho a ono so ne ye celebrating no ai ofoje ye say ono papa fio Dr. T. Many Dr. T in to Passa Kumasi, 15 years ago. Crying a fan. Any answer down tonight. Many said, if you Kumasi, it's young canker, the other man, your son said, oh, yeah, papa, oh, yeah, fa, oh, yeah, fa. Oh yeah, fa, oh yeah, Bonia, oh yeah, fa. Hey, as a wara. If you do good, you do for yourself. If you do bad, you do for yourself. Mercury FM, Kumasi. Na enyu mo de dwumadi be fa ne nsempii. Na ye boka kran sana o master so be kai nsempii. Ti enyom ne de adidi aso tana. Wo kwaso de a. Ediane be na okro mu di. Medase be ba. Ediane de doso. Na no me bo akanchie so bo pe de wa hye kwan kra fa so ye pe de wa no. Na okro maduane ni di ne so so pa. Pe de wa na we de nya ni. So ediane we so konam na. Yes, okay. Na ene no ye share important. Okay. Ibi be ka say enuhu. Eno na ene me de ba ye. Na de so pa o say. Na de fie diem. Na sister Sandy diem ti no. Wo share ingredients wo he ya. Wo say bayre wo ho tumi de bayre ye mani. Na jina fa ko me fa na we ye de. Oh we ye enwo. Okay na we say de. No ye bayre. Na we ko be friend say. We friend na potoyowa. Wo say ko wasanka ya na tai etuntum. Ko wasanka kasapa. E tuntum Okay. Ye kokko no so ya na tuntum no do so mo. Ne wo na mofra mo asem ne ade hu se bebre na e wo ho ayeton. Je ne kakra wo ho. Bayre utumi de ye na mankani so no utumi de ye. Wo sentoso kakra fresh pa tomatoes. Ye wonchine wo ha. Kakaduro ye wo salmon amakokoko garlic wom na ye wo prekese nana na so be ho place ni atre na aduane na nkasa we aduane na nkasa de mpacho ko wanim ho ne ba won sa wo ka fem lata yeso aduane ba ko ni ye fotom ye kan ni ho lata ho Sandra ene ye fa hai sister Sandy fa kire ha Dr. T be abetumi atini yi Dr. T fa cho me 7 nana 7 won kwaso jina fa ko wa matisa ho na matadi tachi man to ne free ayo ne trendy collection timeba boko ya ma hu nam bi sa mani na fa won sa to ase plate na nko from kakra bi ha TV so ntimi ni di amane ne to so so hu ye ne bu aso na anyo na ye wi a ade ye kope ho asem kan wachi okay nana ne di bojom nya sa de nana na ade di ka ye sa ni nyina wo ha ya wa hime be didio nana ne pa ya kura na dia Dr. T ya mompai Amen.
Everybody is so share your DNA so net to amen. Nana better
ayo
na we musama kwa hene asoma me oni ho
we de me anka meti
be mo hene so se me fa ma wa
to bu na yina anya na ho ana boko
we de efie de pe
efie de ye ade na de se ye na na we nye no ma menkani menye sho we ye nam na nkasa
we ye nam
nam
Uri di na happy birthday nkoma Mama Tess.
We dey Ronnie Bruce my
mother.
Ronnie Bruce ayad dear.
Was it the Lord's Parliament Chapel? Apostle Mwakwata, sorry. Pastor Ato, the Lord's Parliament Chapel. If you prof mama, mama ni prof. Son and son Holy Spirit in
the birthday.
And mama awoda. Mama Tess.
Mama Tess the day and
birthday. Mama e onu aduane mai. Prof mama Mercy. Nti wo say aduane Mercy ni animunyam nyina ka.
Bibia
na se prof sana
and then anavem no wo fom
nti unim
ohima de na wa wi
ohima sheda ni di dwom sa
ye kwa chewa na ye be wie ne pepe
na meka ka so ha ma wo sa ha ya kwa mo pon dia be di pa mini mo na
nana dada ho
o be di we dia ha ya bonten maka ni fair trendy sky chachimanton abaya no Instagram trendy_sky yes the number is 054 665 6727 054 665 6727 na makadie ye ka hoye Empress Mark Fashion Accessories or da Empress na ni or da kuma circle F pen wait me from so 026 725 4132 026 725 4132
na na so afade e Ronnie Bruce enti mpacho obomodi na ko Instagram e Ronnie Bruce so RONI_BREW obehunu wom omo ye duane ye fie di ankasa loka efie di enti efie duane bi a wo pe efie drink bi a wo pe so bolo de wo pe bi a Ronnie Bruce say mo sano party
bibia
ye de ne sano mo wo niema say da so gina manum
setup in Ronnie Bruce enti ye da mase vero we no husband na ye mame ye da munyina se na me shemu bebre mai
one na see me feeling na also feeling me no
sister Sandy
guy
thank you na me bisa so wa frefie for
oh if you for her yadoa yadoa se ho denden a wo hye me na yadoa wo hye no denden na magya kwam kisi munyina won kokko do me abra na me amira mark ampo madwamna do na afa no links kokko eti links mechia wo anopei mayonkofo won kokko Krista asafo me won kokko nyina jese kokko de mi wiase nyina yonkokko eti me don kokko for pa ba bia wo bia utie say ya soja White House ado agiri Accra town ezongo janse oh baby yonkokko nko ade anopei ye chia mu nyina ye dom sam support yen wate nyame nka mu nyina mo ho fa man amen
Nana ya sha wo ayi ne mrebim na amanfo hu abna kokura ahwene baby feel clan ene baby a onyini ni ade
matemeba
ya mabusua na na ne pia o so I celebrating Ghana month on Adom TV and they celebrate abna kokura ahwene ene kokko hema yes obi amu be ba kwa se se beka ho ene ebu shim ade ekohwohwo abusua won to aso
afia koi na ha ebe sta o se bomu wi esi panyi dware wi a edu abu mi dia wi
shishima dia kwashosho ne nche mu na etia cha se bibia wonya no house no kwashim se se dia wa pe
nti me meken no nti ye ntwa no so
ati bubi ne enko
minim sam de na ye bo ba you wani asimpu so Azan where you be?
I don't know.
Hey, can we go here?
Azan, say.
Yeah, no one's on you. And then you have so near. Or Sanis, mi kom go so abotan so am say dan chia wo mun ya na yampa me chia wo mu keke ya say na no mi be so pa me pa wo Facebook ana nyagro enti me bra boat me da sinya mi hira abotan so fo nyina ma esini abusian me dom mo ya mi hira mo
and I celebrate on him no mommy brani am fampon ya ne mommy be so na de aduane no
e ba
na mommy mommy ebai madam mame nko achimosurase na me na panyi anti-reta anti-krama ofa pepra ofa James omunyina wa achimosurase ye cheche munyina wo ho nyame hira mo mame
osmo my nyom na yan fampo already be why guy don't ya da se so obesa
ya da se
ya so
na me mami birthday.
Yes, Mama Tess.
Mama Tess.
Straight up.
And I was
Bemu kakra na isa wala.
Baby amobia nyame sro.
Amen.
Amen. Papa apostamo.
Akwata. Ya da se. Mami ya da se sada ya ba opnu ma.
Oje so. Ya da se nyame sro.
Ya na be ko. Sa. Tos mo mo na na edwane ne de.
Edwane no. Se ha dwon kwa metimi de made yakọ.
Na na nkra ne na de. Na na yanko. Na na ko. Na na ko.
Edwane ya mo famra ntem.
Na na ko.
Well, ya sabe da muna masu ya tuwa kuma no so armi say my benda sister Sandy be a guy ne Professor Ike Wallace as so also den komo kama say Adiabre Wajibra we are so grateful, we appreciate Wajibra also. It's a happy birthday to Yao Edu Newmont for Kenya say hona your mining geology department we free Jedu and ode Ebroti Yao Edu Newmont of Kenya say me krom na oye adwuma nti happy birthday enko emma penfo atena se na no da na obi de ya betwim ti menken kind for confirmation. Office of the President, Honorable Minister, appointment as Managing Director of Volta Aluminium Company Limited. The President has nominated Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Glover, honorable appointment, as Managing Director of the Volta Aluminium Company Limited. Kindly take the necessary steps to regularize the said appointment in accordance with the relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2019, Act 992, and the Constitution of the company. Please accept the President's best wishes and sign Nana Santibidietu, Secretary to the President, and copy the Minister, Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, and attention, Honorable Samuel Abdullah Janapo, copied the Vice President, the Chief of Staff, the Chairperson, the Director General, State Interest and Governance Authority. There was one that came as fake. You see, one cross-check here. Fortunately for us, Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Glover. I don't know whether to say correlations and to hold on. The situation proper. But Honorable Kofi Adams about correlations, so I think it's in order. But I saw fake in the news.
Governor Medase, Maminchia Wankasa, for that brave and hard-working spirit with the word multimedia. You have been an icon when it comes to broadcasting because you always want to speak the truth. Na mojuma moye juma ewiase nyina ensanjoro for juma no yemfe diagro. But you personally, when you speak, it goes far, and people in authority listen. And the ma ukase nyina woka nyina no measured, coherent, and a ma niche na wa couch dia ma wono makase why you are for proud, why you multimedia proud, and what she gonna say in you. Thank me that's it. Me chairman ya Kofi so. And now she fita, me say fita wa she obeka no kre. Onye propaganda. Me danasi. They all can also no kre.
Kofi will come back to respond to this. Just say on pay attention. You remember back.
Oh no, ye ngina kumala. Onna me ni to be. Na ampa I didn't bet to a mountain uncle for super so much there mischief. It's
very
intact. President, if you president on the
if you are Meshia Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Samuel Bujinapo, we've had some discussions. That was just immediately after the 6th March, Tuesday, Michiano, to start the process. Once the letter, Nana be due to HRO demand to perfect the process because on no supervising minister on VACO, Miwi and so Omushia, Benifonicia, and Friday Namishia, the deputy in charge of industry and lands and forestry. But I can't VACO board, I'm then I will know exactly determine where you must say. So everything is in line.
Okay.
Maybe I done it. Debbie. Maybe I done it. So it Mami fa kunya we so na me ndom mampenyase. And you nyam odi ahye. I'm so grateful. And then you nyam odi ahye. Obi bia wo de wa no tumu a ma adwuma kese da ahye me nsem na. The VACO there, over 45, 47 years ago, we know what VACO was made of. And Yabe, we'll make sure, say, we'll do a lot of consultation. I'll do a lot of listening to make sure, say, we'll afana fanning in ano. Any workers in be share boom. They share problems in what form. Now, you pay the right solutions.
Okay.
Now, you know, my auntie, Meda, maybe a Montpenier, Vice President, you will be a Meda board, no so I say, and the Omaki Kamunina, and Damas.
Kofi.
Yeah, Minia.
Boom. On the beat. No challenger. Say no there. Any Kofi I can't say there. What was the Kofi say go?
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations is in order.
Thank you.
Congratulations is in order. What the kind of mentia also na mentia Minia titles. And yeah, na share any TF4. I think he deserves, because seriously speaking, me a one person now, my GM says, our policy now on the buy. Say, we are minister. Now we say MP. Now when we need to sit mau appointment BM no. Now idea na manage because you could be a very good material, but maybe bibinti na come say well you see will sit.
Yeah.
It's not every person obedin kugu ewo parliamentary elections and na wonye nipa ontumi nye ejuma na yede share nsa. So that idea no deny a binding of some very experienced hands, including
titles
on Nwankasanso and someone like Honorable Penka, like this. Such great minds, because they lost almost in and there was that communication to me and found one yet then I'm well, bringing him now, fortunately, must say at the end of the year. I must say at the end of the year. Akwakoye NATO. They say no action, talk only. Onwa kasa say bibia ye poto. Enti I don't know nia minia beba be omo be hano keke. But knowing who he is, maybe he can try or be trying the best before we'll come and take over and rewrite.
Which people are taking over?
Oh, NDC is taking over to rewrite the wrongs Akoso. I wish him really, really well. They say better late than never. But seriously, no. Nka you be right from the word go or kamwa. Nka bibi papa be then BPA or bibia obey jumo. So I can only congratulate him and also add say adia bakumbi so enya me pam from parliament, ejuma bi wo ho a wo say and if you bet me one or two good former MPs, one or two good former district chief executives, any one maybe
local government, obi a waye jumos with local government kakra to put together and for them to engage in a certain project with Ghanaians and Ebeboa Parliament. Adom TV America sa ye beko ye primaries in elections utie colleagues bebre. One biggest problem omu face any say ubehuna obi epie. Osi o me de mutuma me common fund no me de bema mo na ye beche me beche amam me de behwe mo me de bese meanwhile common fund no is not controlled by the MP like the teacher office yes ana you use common fund
but we both ya mo
enunti na make say kasa ye benya parliament na bepe budget are recruiting ebinumu omoye ejuma no pen as MPs to ebinumu so a omoye DCs a omo na omo hwe sa sikano so to be able to educate the masses so that make a plain lies intro sometimes omo put it out no microphone then emfa because dada
there's a one kofi me fa say okra there's a wuti mo de papa say de me obi bi kwamna beti ba befa achicha mo obi enya bi adi
o si o se ne common fund nko say ochiche mamu mutiti ho na ye mam fi me de muntuma me mechiche common fund na mam na mo hatom because that's what the MP should be doing.
That's a very serious issue.
Yeah.
And never thought simple.
Oh, it was especially internal elections, especially internal elections. A juma like anything. Beni na yenda. Wa wunim now the common fund you will go in because that's not what it is meant for. That's not what it is meant for.
Why are people that uti na wokonya MC ya ni MP no enka wo uti anye na wokonya ebia MP no position DC no so abanipa na say there's no synergy understanding ya
eno
obi obetra wonya be so and yes no it is the people who suffer.
Why do we do that?
Yes, it's wrong.
And it's been with us.
It's wrong.
So
it's wrong.
One area
is wrong.
Metina ho ameju humitie me colleagues any concerns are omode bano. I thought say an opay me ba me use this platform
it's fair.
Akasa ama generally both sides for the two parties say mo biant na ho entie sa ndada ansem no. Say me dear me ba be say me ba be hwe mo
and let me also caution potential people on person will be compete for our internal parliamentary seats. Mr. Nkodi trust obey kwana e de come market no. Nkodi trust.
You have no capacity.
Nkodi trust obey za kwana de come market.
Look, as for internal elections now we caucus at the end there you see the challenger e wo ho no any main elections. For example, say honorable Titus Ejina as parliamentary candidate for MPP in say Tema East. Oye ne campaign, onye campaign ma ononko. The campaign should also be for the presidential candidate, and therefore you are championing the manifesto of the party. And in same way, say we care about some of those major projects. One can say but we care because with the anticipation say you better flag bearer.
Exactly.
Now, and you obey president, you will be implementing those things. But say Kobano say we party ending kunima ebi wo ho a nya wo kokan ye no na say party fufuro no eba be ma that is not what they are going to do and I ebi wo ho kra wo party no kra betumi ending kunim dan so one can say you are not even well placed and well connected in the government and the lobbying becomes a problem for you so and only until such time maybe you be separate parliamentary and presidential elections so that the presidential campaign you say campaign is just presidential now it drew time parliamentary campaign also that the issues will be in relation to law making and representing your people appropriately so that enkoba road construction in Myanmar esun sen because 1 kilometer no even any asphalt just 1 kilometer of normal about 3 million Ghana cedi.
Yeah. Kofi raised a very sensitive issue on this common fund. And 1 year, almost potential, if anything, aspirants. Na bubo or kase yenya former members of parliament and former DCs. Na say when NCC is over to my it is part of their mandate to educate the citizenry on this matter about how is applied because MBC must you know we call research cry you more for more I was always surgery you move as part of Mudumanu Krano we call vacation as surgery now we call we consensus also boss said the rule no e dey say MP adwuma na ye cancer ye no ampa common fund based on revenue aban sabeka no e no chemu a e no dey be common fund no dey be a project dey be use ma MPC for na ye adwuma e wo form a e wo say ye dey boa na no anu so wo dey be fa MMDCs for no so me be me ni MPC 2 na ye adwuma campus any ashai let me say campus because we grew up in the community in community 1 he's my big brother. So we started growing up. Mikotun was the municipal assembly. Or call TMA as assembly member were Padma elected area 94. And I'm call 98. So we have grown up, me Bobo, they were part of the guys who were with us as babies. So that relationship is there. And to me do all MC, remember? And once I come from bar, now me try mano, me friend of Pani, say, Bibia Kama. But for no buy, no person chere me say o to me come na do baby na come to me say I nearly because you be a consabre no Kofi na free SHS in you remember in 2013 there was no free SHS and you boa no secondary SHS technical school nursing training polytechnics any university nyamenya no na metwere me do schools no modini sika na nyina no supporting documents na me dey account e ba konta ho Kofi Nilante, I have to appeal to Nilante. I have to appeal to near March Day. Anyway, there were 3 guys. So, one from the important castle. The old yeno or pure solo no minute. Now, also the old piano in Maria, a do baby on bachelor. May can. I know what you can do from. Say, yeah. And the Mikadia Kosia say, the fact that you are, posing. The constitution should not suffer. It is not the people that should suffer. It should not suffer. It is not the people who should suffer. Do this kind of politics. Yes, Sanwa, you are denying the people that they are he or she is leading the right. And yamwa and there's some a discussion that should be ongoing. NCC also musum. Or no so or cost surgery no mean and then your recessor also all nantico in person one. They see what parliament biano also come one man here, the omso no macachero. As part of the education, no macachero. No, everyone they are worried themselves. Can they open to me? But they won't do me and favor campaign. Maybe say, make a make cases as maybe bar, acquirement to my yamin and another dango. And Banso have delivered. You come to Tema East. Most of the roads as for me, venison, I've been able to deliver. From the days of Bankuma, a brand here 2 minutes from Meridian Hotel, Old Town, you caught them on my ear. Now I had no quota can do. And now you the quota was about 70%. A duo, Uba, Newtown, Wawudum area, or a shaman station that you who say, and they say, you know, and Isaac now. What I say, or then I. I don't know. Oh, yeah, come back away. Was it when the president? Me, madam, I did it. I did. Now, come back away. I lobbied for all those road contracts. I led. I am happy. It's a good thing that you said. Do you understand? Because at the point in time, we lose election. No, na contractor no, ejuma no story. And the Nam Groza no yes aquano. I have to come back. I could do expropriating honor no do because I was saying what I said.
claiming something that
has not happened in
because
process now, you know, it doesn't start by a day. You have to do road audits.
He doesn't have a problem with what
you understand. But
the end product
at the point in time, you know, now this is for the claims I shall know. They say, why? And the member can also meet and make sure say I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, and I'm doing it. Even when I've left office. Okay. And just shine here one piece.
Yeah.
Get Kofi's point straight. Kofi,
maybe you drew a very fair, but Nyawaka, you know, say MPs ne surgery engagement in Utumika. But in Sambi or one casa woka, look, especially if you are MP, maybe when you're lucky, Abra maybe over parliament, you know, or maybe motorcycle, and I would hear campaign. Then by arrangement of parliament,
what the Land Cruiser go?
You be man a loan to buy a car every month. Deduction no cry say from January and sign a car no cry but now you deduct to be even sometimes 10 or 11 months.
Welcome to the club.
And or the car no call. Then you will say who yeah campaign na to sooner what says yeah the what about with language who be catch say common fund in the
and we do what we pack your car no
it's a problem that
I know
him say a parliamentary
I know
I may not face that problem by nature
but it's real
bebrina efficiency who ko gina wana say one kasa who can it is not believed. Say especially say wokonya internal opponents bi a musu use sadie against you say o media me ba me nkonkoto Land Cruiser na me de be mamu me yes me wo then it catches fire with them and that is why wonya be son for bia omusu aye juma ni bi pen and they can move around together with NCC the way I work anu the other angle any between MP and maybe MC and DC that is also there. But that one doesn't even go to the level echo internally and know about delays but I think that we've come a long way as IDN and say free.
So Tony Bennett, happy birthday. There's a Ghanaian now also excel or Germany. The name is Ohima Kwa Achemfo. She's really excelling in terms of aerobics in Germany, and we thank the parents of Mobano as some Ghana, not Germany. So Ohima Kwa Achemfo, thank you for raising the flag of Ghana high. The former President John Dramani Mahama says President Nana Akufo-Addo has not only been reckless with the management of the economy, but he does not also exhibit traits of a good leader. He was reacting to the president's claim in his State of the Nation address that this government has not been reckless in the management of the economy, borrowing and spending. The president once again blamed the COVID-19 pandemic and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war for the troubles of the Ghanaian economy. President Akufo-Addo also argued that the country is currently servicing debts that were not contracted by his administration, insisting, and I quote, "We have not been reckless in borrowing and in spending." Mr. Mahama disagrees and makes the point that the president is always quick to shift blame instead of taking responsibility. According to him, that explains why the president does not appreciate the extent of the challenges confronting the country today. And there's a quotation here, "The first principle of leadership is responsibility. You must take responsibility for every situation and work to solve it. If you're a leader who is always looking for somebody to blame, you will never be able to solve problems." Mr. Mahama was speaking during an interaction with branch and constituency executives of the National Democratic Congress at JEMA in the Kintampo South constituency, and said the Akufo-Addo government has increased the total national debt from 120 billion Ghana cedis to almost 600 billion Ghana cedi in about 6 years. Kofi,
Yeah, minion.
Ebe ko break abana John washe campaign ase na because mo break mu ni papa ni. Washe campaign ase na.
Well, mia ekoso ewo oman nu. Ena unhunu ewo efam.
But the excitement on your face as to nipa na ban hold on answer. Ye kwaba. Well, as I said, I'm going to try and come on as well. I'm saying, my main cow said Daniel Nekwate Titus Glover and Afeira a Kofi Adams and our ADM. Kofi back to the conversation.
Yeah.
Yes.
And the era, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was share the campaign for re-election as flag bearer Frank Etuni Edema, the National Democratic Congress. It was 2024. About what yebekwi but all round no yina answer na obecha sekura ni ana yehwe ni say obegya tum say megina because onyaka say megina dia yenim say nkunimdie no dia wedi nkunim no ewie internal and even the external dia na yebeko a calculation about percentages wubenya na percentage wubenya no ewo external no internal de no ebechre it say wo kotro WAEC exams wo performance in mock no ebema indication about nia wubenya plus or minus bb
utibi fi no de become
utibi fi de become we say ebesi so yeah politically active ye di mi amechi ahwe ya monitor internal election processes ukwa commentary EP enthusiasm every internal party members ho abontin comments neutrals omuntu aba the excitement ewo krum about your coming, the anger expressed by nipa when one ending kita hono emawo indications. Now looking at so far His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne outina wako ewo Volta Bono East Bono obewie ne say ene na odi akwa kura ahafo na odi the fourth region tonu aba ewie no is clearly indicated say internal no wafa ewie external no so omutainechi to go and save this country, because clearly speaking like okay abanya is so reckless, abanya is so reckless to the point to say meaning in membership of economic management team kurano ababe bibia obi ampese obi atwe no ho obi ampese ye bebo ni din say ono no ka ho ana onka ho. So it has become a point of trying to lower obini esteem in an internal context of MPP. Say ye dey share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say oh wona wo ye chair of economic management team na Ninkrofo bi so amusu support no mo akope so onu no ye chair of Alan Tremanten so ye chairman of the cabinet subcommittee on economic management ni bibi. Few years ago Abraham mo be di ade no eda ho ye clear na bibia ekoyie easier for them because obi enua ato ho ama eche na wo che no Mekaipa, the senior minister,
Osafomafo,
Honorable Ya Osafomafo, presi economic management team after Dr. Bawumia Kasa Koka say team in a solid team. Omuko another review, no say oh Dr. Bawumia ye activist chairman of economic management team. Or ye so involving onuna waye bibia na he was happy and taking it. And one of the Mantisa obia beka say Alan eso ye juma no bi or ye chair of some subcommittee bi ene ade na say yehu say they have messed up the economy ne de wokoka then they want to tell you say enyo no nko na wa say no na ebinum so yiden eka ho and that brings in the point of honorable Kennedy Ajepon o say omo ahwe economy isu ama apaska they cannot break any it. Also, no, he has declared that they have failed completely. Now, looking at the failure, utie Honorable Ejakuswa, also the verdict of the management of the economy, any Bibiano, is so bad. Look, the government has been so reckless. You can't almost say Mayenka. Meaning, ube true economic management. Bibia is so clear. Say, when him say, okay, we see 3 level. Ewo umujenum. Be 6 or below. Maybe we did immediately ebe kosro kakra. Nanso, our body system no ewo a way of bringing it back to normal by pushing a 6 nubi into say nipa into like glycogen to be taken out of emujanum so that with sugar levels ebe normal. And to win him say this is the rate you should be. Now minya wakwa testi umuja fasting sugar for a number of times. Now already maybe 7.5 and now even 8.0. Now nya ugusu ye anopabia no say wo nom kokene udi esichire eduane a enye a ebe ma wo sugar no esoro na ebeko na wo sugar ekosoro ama wo benya permanent diabetes na afi de wo ko owuo no mu a ye ka say why reckless I will say menye reckless
one wa call to sugar level no say
one na one ma wo sugar level no akosoro aban ba be di ade no debt to GDP na 56%. The normal range, we see 55 to 58%. We share status as a middle income country. We could carry such a level, 55 to 58%, and we be to 56% to GDP. Now, what now minus so ababasia ayenyama boni to the point to say, what kawa would anyway GDP say 104%. They can say why you're reckless. I will say you're reckless. What page at the end attra the carrying capacity of about 58%. And you say no omunimusu because we hear video bia the current finance minister. Abra no more opposition. Okoye program bia or TV3 or so. Nensema wakaye. So they are very much well aware. Ube to maya a kawa ne da hono 120 billion. Na what na wa hwe maya no wa babusia sa edwa kwa kopie 600 billion. Yeka o say there be mayenka you have not been reckless. What now? Ahwe ama level of the exchange rate CD to dollar over to 4.2. And many other commodities. Fuel, now no say my penny celebrating 14 CDs per liter. Ubia ube fa o mine na ye ton 1 gallon at that same price. 1 gallon e be 4.5 liters and a womb. Ade na ye deje 1 gallon abra ube fa o mine Sa na ne wo dey je 1 liter. Ade a 1 gallon. Kese no ye dey je no eno na wo dey fried tall bottle kitwa no e dey je ye. Ene. And you are celebrating that. Celebrating mediocrity. So clearly speaking, you can say omo and the worst part of my and he said omo nye prepared. So we take responsibility. MPP. They be ye di share obi. Oh, ye COVID. oh Russia any Ukraine ntokwa omukun enti na yen man no ase enti covid na e ba ye no covid ni de ebi anka Togo ebi anka Nigeria ebi anka Cote d'Ivoire ejai sa man nyina e na edi bibia beto Ghana so ana bombs na ye tu no wo Ukraine any Russia no
ebi tuto ha
ebi tuto ha ebi anto Nigeria ebi anto Benin ebi anto Togo ebi njai anko Cote d'Ivoire ana Burkina de bia yenkwa na yenya the impact of Russia any Ukraine omontoko amonsem. They are not prepared to take responsibility because the first thing also we any say to take responsibility. But would ye de bia na would the share obi. Oh, bibi na aye. Oh, enyemi no, you cannot solve the problem. For example, okay say o may yenya erratic power situation. Adie ebi ye hunu ewo President Rawlings abreso. Say hydro na ewo ho no yentumi nye den independent on just hydro. After doing retrofitting, after doing the dam, all those ones, you say in a long term, no, or say the mix, and no, and added the thermal generation, the buy. The Aboise thermal plant, all those ones started coming in. President Kufuor also buy. The program was not continued, and the abroad drought in the buy, say okay, asophobi, they don't want to call. Akosombo to go say omonko bompae na isuenye den entongu Akosombo dam as a solution to the doom soa ana energy crisis confront here but ono so enjai no ho o share say plan na e wo ho to do the bui hydro no otu hu anamo ema o share but the problem was that hydro was not really going to be the solution, even though it was needed. Because hydro ne wo and in so na entonti were having those challenges. Later, omokoto generators via Tanzan see toy generators obekaya. So that problem has been there. Ebe pie ewo John Dramani Mahama so no. Huanka say, oh, President Kufuor into Huanamo, and the blame President Kufuor. Maybe by extension crown maybe yenka say or no or musuba ya no one said that entina ebeto no as president or say I will take responsibility and I will fix it because oji tum say e idea or say or fix it, he will take responsibility to one among. And within energy experts will tell you say the period omodi year arrangement for various interventions, thermal generations, car power, any it's a record. Because power generation, and this is pan why come the war. Ubetimi akwa copy wa shelves, so now akwa top pan wa babayeti, now we know. It goes through a long process. Of course, followed with the atuabo gas. And also you're building young gas to generate the power no, or solve this problem. No. But this government is not prepared to take responsibility. Ube dia ube too even a larger revenue base. 10 any Sankofa field ebeka Jubilee. So you had 3 fields. Additional revenues abeka. Oh sorry, I will say e kauna mi tia bia enyame na me boy. Na abembe na wentia e kawa enye no boy. The NDC government under John Dramani Mahama, when him ya or creating a friend sinking fund. So that time no na titles no parliament, and he was receiving reports from Setekpe and Minister for Finance regularly. The sinking fund no when him ya it's to pay bonds due and na ebi wo ho say system no echo in a way positive. You can buy back. That already you see the interest rates maybe senka at the end for over 10 or 15 years. Now situation here okay. Now what buy back it reduces the number of years Auba bet your interest. So, he created the sinking fund.
So in effect, what it means is that what John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, Kano, there's always a way out in this administration.
There's always a way out. Instead of them doing that, they chopped everything. They went into all kinds of funds, stabilization fund, heritage fund, omodi omusaka bibia, omoye capping of various funds. I also echo for various development. Omo capping in the MSN app. COVID came. They mess it up. The president said we have not been reckless with COVID funds. Meaning, the vice chairperson of MPP, parliamentary candidate for San
He needs to be called before the appropriate authorities to check whether that statement is a statement of fact. A statement of fact.
No.
Because I know the candidate Akasa.
Nipa nankasa no bekaye. Meba nipa nankasa no bi ni no bekaye. O say me as regional vice chairman, me 50,000. Me say candidate no, ye sama me another 50,000. Me constituency chairman no that ye ma 10. Me die na 100,000 me say de ko ka o. Ono na o ka o nye say obi e na obeka kire say no catch it. Then follow my last point. No, my last point. So that Oba, I can sit and listen to you. Men can see just me MPP regional vice chairperson and candidate for Saneru. The Auditor General of this country, the audit now of COVID funds, Emma ye clear indication said Sikana eba aban semunu aban amfa nye ejuma ye ntokro bebre edidemo omu waste sika no bebre. What about that one too? So a confirmation of near individuals yaka mampeni bejina ho I say we have not been reckless. What more is there? Say Yemeka than this evidence so on taking responsibility no yen you also say
Daniel Nikwate Titus Global take responsibility. Accept that this is it.
Omai ne kobra sente. Me brother kufika se nyina ma yedi. Mampusu menu. Eno ne se me twere. Me sere no se na wa hye white no. Me so me kasa onya ne ho abotre mfama me. Se dia ahwefo no mo hweye no.
Ope, I'm sorry.
Stop taking my time, please.
Ope, I'm sorry.
This is your strategy. Stop it.
No, I'm not saying you.
It's not going to help you. I'm only appealing to you.
You don't need to appeal. You don't need to
that when I'm speaking,
you don't need to
you only sit down and observe me.
You don't need to appeal.
So don't interject. Don't do anything.
So till we go can
with the minimum not here. And this is what here. One. No.
That see, this is what you say.
No, stop yourself. But you are attacking the president. Why are you not attacking the president?
Issue that we are.
Messi, and this is what who Qatar. They would like to interject.
The issue
on Jai, they are working. Jai, stop that. You should stop that. What is it? Don't tell me how I should speak, please. You see?
No.
Misha Zagrao. Is it not NDC MP?
No, he's an NDC.
So what?
So go on to your point.
So, don't, you see? Come on. And then my driver, birthday. Philip Kobnansan.
Oh wow!
I want to thank him so much for all the hard work and the sacrifices. Me chingan nyina with him. Every part of this country, 276 constituencies. Yenda, ene na buda. Na mi shira no. Na mi bonu humba yemfama me. Na eya mi deso so say. Sa nkrofo no mugudi nyamransem a yekun asre ni moro e wa shama no. And a daily graphic. And na me who was social media say police for instance you don't want say na enyo mun disenya marani yeden a city. Na mama be ansem na okay.
Former President John Dramani Mahama, flag bearer, presumptive, NDC.
Mama fufuro ana mama fufuro. Mama be
Ghana's potential president.
Hey, ni ayeni munu dada.
Dia na onimo.
JDM ni ayeni munu dada no. Ana JDM fufuro.
Do be sisi aye day schools no or interchanges.
Oh, wow, okay. So do na me. JDM on dey ni no. Yeah, you did that. You never know. We know him. Ah, na many will know why. For 4 years, that he subjected us into total darkness in this country. The whole multimedia Koyomi is engulfed with smoke.
That was the problem that was there with Ghana.
Naturally, would do Tema East, the industrial hub of Tema, and the fishing hub, caused us a war. And number say, yeah, people who lost their wives. And yes, my did grow. And nam near Tugu. Food and Drugs Board, about certifies a number we are saying, Unko Tugu. And you know people who lost their investments? Ordinary dressmakers, tailors, beauticians, people that subjected JD as them okay. Also being for responsibility. Ebo Baba, Yabako. Nasa men on Beniaka. Also state of the nation, the situation na ye woman. And who they will and no board my job. Situation near woman, and no was no coconasem. Then she shed ben na all year and their swanoa and the war. Na many anomalies if was a monkasa. Was he by a boca ampa? Yabocampa. Yet the Jawa, the swab. A man now, President Kufuor 9 billion Ghana cedis. I was paid from 9 billion to 120 billion. 1,333%. The dollar at that time was about 4.5 cedis. Who call your conversion amount of $26 billion at that time? From 9, I would pay you the same boat, and I would call 120 billion. So when you are making your comparison, you see the NDC, the thing sometimes Ghana for no yentinya mabiasie. Who can be kuma na wakade faso. Na bisa wo say e mena mbefa o president Kufuor Breso na ye kanu na senate here. But you always look at the optics. The be favor no na wakanu the account. Ye gitum. But ene kana ye die no from 120 to 500 a year na ye kanu. It is includes other institutions of state debts. A kana wo no other state institutions a kama bono and also can be. We are not shunning away. Say Yaboka. Nyomampenia Kufado e chirem no say e kana ye boy you know e na wo kana de mama so ntia se say I didn't know can say e kana be wo tua no I didn't know can wasem easy it's captured in your event saying President Kufuor also argued that the country is currently servicing debts that were not contracted by his administration. And also your mama bomba pai. Come here. Kofi Adams stay here or see Yaboka. Oh, me bo dem den. Famodi touching. Famodi. O see Yaboka. Enu na President Kufuor de e kire ye say. E kan bia obeto ye no. Ti se budie na mugya ye no. E wo so tiaka. He must pay. On casa on tiaka. Oh, na den mu car na you see say I didn't call your car and Kufuor da ko boka. Na so tiaka na musu budie bi no a was say boka say what tiaka ni bi no. You don't want to admit that. And that is the hypocrisy of the NDC and your mama. That is the hypocrisy. I will see a church young country say e kana moja e bi no e no so ye go so ye tiaka including our own. Sebi. E kanu ayegie no ye dia ye adwuma wo ono ani peso so I went through oti region 2 times. Your mama danfo e fani say touch all the thing Burkina Bay or ye Eastern Corridor kwa no ye ne be ye ya dia ko dun kwanta he's there se kana ye no no bi ye se adwuma sakanu no bi ye sakwan and so betra na wo ye ne trala ene ya boka ye di ye djuma e wo fom. We have worked with it. Manfo anya humfa so ene aye kase. So when you just say it in saase ene ya boka ene ye di kase komna. Just yesterday na me hwe Kenya they form queue to buy fuel who social media no Kenya that's a lie and you can say as the genius factors affected the economy now enya dia na ye twatro e koso wo bebia enya Kenya yes a lie France I saw it on social media yes a lie ya cut off fuel who say there by yes a lie did you see any queue in any of our pumps John Mamadan yes a lie Professor Mills may so rest in peace yes a lie fuel ya kita gallon yes a lie and another don't go no queue. But because of the measures, sometimes the measures are harsh, I concede. But in a way, it tries to prevent, say, the fact that we feel free, abebetra, yabeka gun and sempa. Menya fuel, sebi, I was so kakra, media be judgment for so baso. Saying, say, menya fuel, kra, medibatifye. The one day, sebi mintra en kase, a fomunyadri. Ampa a fomunyadri. And another damn quick for the Okasa or can say, Mina Mitiakunya so. Almost our accepted responsibility. What can time and number say a huche na bano, what jato, he appreciates. And among Bia was so otwo, na odibet to a quemwa, a bebois, amadi yokoso, ye yidi free holders. And this was a Montiasi. Cobra, and this was a Montiasi. So he is the president. And the Odiniama Egugu Kwanswa, Yena, Yumay, kakra. 2023 is a year of recovery. And for me, would I win Gindi and a money mumpa bonze, and which I work for no, Ghana Fonso, Uncle, no Musana, then excuse me, you are a sadist. Then you are a sadist because we a month for which you want, because of political expediency. What the parliament, if you go to a trade, your mom will say, IMF bailout, documentation, parliament, you should not support it. Come on, when was that?
What the documentation?
Please, I didn't feel good to catch them. What did he tell you?
Messi.
Oh, why?
No, me parliament.
Messi. In Shishana, of course. Oh.
No, me metna hand intro.
No, me India. Messi, look, please keep quiet. Kofi Adams.
No, mon fancy Shebe.
Kofi Adams, keep quiet. Kofi Adams, keep quiet.
Indishena Modiaba.
Catch Kofi Adams onto the boss.
Wadarma Intina.
I just want to know.
I show you.
Catch Kofi Adams.
No, Shebe and
me and Kenny. Many
away from
Wadarma on January.
Come se mankani year for cheme. Parliament say debt exchange program, debt servicing program, and yama ye ni nyina no. Yemfa finance be mfa mbato. Ni ehwe kwa mfa so a da bi abeto ni kwanso. And he said say na me kan ye dia for cheme wo. Say you be call parliament. But his general secretary issue a statement that they should not support it. No.
Sir,
they should not support it.
I've seen.
You've seen, haven't you seen something like that?
I've seen an instruction or a directive from the General Secretary, but
that what?
In relation, it was about approval, about minister's approval.
Oh.
He pointed to me directly as a member of parliament.
We invite you to say, Bebe Kasa.
Yen, as minority, and a request to say, the debt exchange program na minister no all yeno or say then or the parliament na yen because as far as ye concerned a form of renegotiating and a new loan or say eba for parliament to have a look at almost side and say debi so what bet na ha that will come before because you have been fed with such forms of information there mo bet na TV so monka santron no into Juasa. One, our General Secretary Onchoro Bibia Emre in relation to the debt exchange program. Yen na ye request here. Abra ye bisa minister no say onmambe briefie. When he made a statement in the form of a motion, there was contribution. Because he made a statement and members have to contribute. Nipa 5 from yen side, Nipa 5 from Omo side. We requested. Currently, because of supporting, we have filed a motion. 2 motions have been filed, admitted by Mr. Speaker. Say the debt exchange program, or say minister, or the parliament. So we are requesting, say, on Vambra Parliament, and and I'm saying that parliament.
We me das.
Come on. Na wo hu ye.
Come on. Mapulu bibi on social media. NDC sabotages IMF bailout for fear of losing 2024 polls. This is March 10, 2023. The leadership of national.
Funny.
Seriously.
So it reads that the leadership has done what?
Listen to me. The leadership of the NDC has asked its members on the minority caucus in Parliament not to support the passage of all pending financial bills that are crucial to government bid to secure the international monetary fund.
But if he tells you that February and Shadi and it's here, now
come on.
Where is that resistance coming from?
Please. Once
explanation. Bring it and let's see what's happening.
Who pass appropriation now? There are some bills we say pass. Say there are GR for So this is what is happening. How do you sit in front of Parliament? More approve appropriation. No more approve appropriation. And never to a finance minister no
really
law or your general secretary is telling you not to support these things because I am a bailout includes revenue.
This is funny.
I am a bailout include for example revenue. So when you have a general secretary party that is issuing statement to his party in Parliament not to support, are you not a saboteur?
Well,
are you not?
I know about the ministers, but I don't know about.
Are you not a saboteur? So clearly, no. He tells you say NDC for no. Omumpa bone say ahunche na se be wo ho no. Ghana for and they want to run route on it. Think you say Ghana for you are disappointing yourselves.
If you wrap up,
you are disappointing yourselves and declare for me. If you have a party, and if this is what you are telling people, now who can say obi so mu ana?
That's how Mr. Kofi wrap up.
Mami so from where?
Why?
Why is that?
You feel Kofi.
I feel ni kwate.
So
Mami see from. So clearly come President Akufo-Addo. Wajiatum say amuche na bano.
Yeah.
Or yenshishe.
Okay.
He has shown responsibility. I'm not the president. I'm running away. And the Nyama Kosu he's not believing as a saint. Right. Whatever he will do to make sure, say 2023, we are ready and he's on the way doing it.
Clearly speaking, my titles be an page say the MPP as a party in education, omuni at DSBI because from the president to the last person have been so reckless in the management of the economy. And Mrs. Subium said, Omoye extremely reckless. So they are hanging, looking for everything to hang on and to deceive the people. Look, traders, or more businesses, or more what is are already complaining of some revenue generation bills at the parliament. And young crown, I can want some crowd. The so-called growth and sustainability bill or modeba ye babeji a tour on industry before profit. Tax before profit. And ye even on profit too. Almost see ye beji usa a tour before before ye be calculate profit. And ye tax on profit too. Tax before profit. And America. Now, what decide ye ba? We say, oh, minority. Yen kambong na yen pass it. Now we are. Now we are waste this. We will not do that. We will not do that.
Oh, come on, now we are anywhere. I me ba show us we are two against one.
Power.
Me say die because of phone saying. Asema na okano. We better to be egumi. Me njano za no. Your mama there ni me no na.
That will be there.
Why na slow no? Obi a wa beat ya beat twice na zone.
Na do you beat 3 times.
Ah, wo.
Ache sama kwa wabiem e ba Badwam dwumadi so wo Adom TV free sabre kopinsa na kono ebebo yakoso edi nkomo edi afa Minerals Commission anamontu yomutu aboasa na beya efom agudi etue wo yemem no ebenam emra kwanso na yensu abra no bra no esei ye kwaye breto ya esei yɛbɛtumi aso ano na yɛnsuo ani ate de ama yɛ na wotwetwe wo ne pani kwankyerɛ for da minerals commission ano ora Martin kwaku aisi atwe enkomo ene yɛsan atoa so ene baabi yɛde yɛni akyire ye ɛyɛ kwan abɛfa so abɛnya license die na ewom every step on the way wo akɔpɛ license no die na ɔsɛ wo yɛ hwan ne hwan na yɛsɛ ɔbɔ mama ne yɛba kurum hɔ no mu a hwan na ɔsɔ mo te sɛ ampasimɛsɛ na so ɔbɛnten yɛama na kwanya sɛ ɔmɛhwɛ foma gudie ɛwɔ yɛn pɔtama na mpo ɔnhyɛ aseɛ entu akra bɔhɔreɛ
sensia ensen
yɔkɔ
yasan hyɛ bi
yasan hyɛ bi yɛrɛ asase wura na ɔtwe ɛfofrom na ɔtwe twɛ mu yɛdi nkɔmɔ de hwɛ ɛkwan obɛfa so obɛnya license ɛne yɛpɛsɛ yɛdom sukɔ ɛyi ne yɛhunu every step on the way license no nya no sɛ na ɛteɛ
medase license no ɛsɛ mekyɛ mu mmienu
okay
there was small scale and you want large scale nti woba yɛbɛbisa sɛ wopɛ small scale anaa wopɛ large scale
okay
so wopɛ small scale a yɛnyɛ no head office sisi koraa deɛ sɛ large scale or small scale yɛyɛ no online
okay
yɛmpɛ sɛ wo ne yɛbɛyɛ wei biaa bibnya nkɔ ntɛmtɛmtɛmtɛm sɛ first no ti sɛ ɔkɔpie district na Monday to Friday 8 to 5 obi okɔkɔ na officer no kɔ field a na abrɛ nko a sisi a yɛka sɛ wobɛtumi alodge application Monday to Sunday anytime Sunday kɔ wobɛtumi application
okay
wobɛtumi de atom
website wɔ no
yes live wobɛtumi atua koraa on through the GhanaGov platform nti deɛ mepɛ sɛ amanfoɔ Ghanafoɔ te aseɛ sɛ deɛ biribiara kɔ ntɛmtɛm pa Minerals Commission asesa application online
okay
sisi ɔkɔ G visa na bibisa so that's the first thing now for small scale nhyehyɛ bi down one onye Ghana ne ntumi nyɛ nti Chinese for ni Burkina Faso ni one mobile mu nyaa no nyaa yɛ galamsey if we are Ghana ni near my license kura na kofa obi onye Ghana ni galamsey na oyɛ no
okay
nti the first requirement say ansa na ebetumi ama small scale license no this oyɛ Ghana ni
okay
nti application no yɛ kura this oyɛ your passport now say bibia Ghana card
yeah
wow now this shows say yes indeed me say oyɛ Ghana ni that's the first thing
okay
oko online a form no obetumi afile odin o address so there you here obetumi afro na bibisa basic as a school every ofi
okay
or email a small scale answer with my business plan na bibi there is nothing like that nti new map bibia na wa lodge application no normally small scale mo na mo po mo baby no mo de aba ni a check ya mo mo ekwan da wa ni ayama ekwan ni wa ni aka say no kope baby fofo but ohwe mra na say wo block out area because yeah na man for baby ni
me patcho fache me
number one problem for small scale getting a place for them to work well until say small scale until say large scale oba na obeji license na wakope ni sika na 6 7 8 12 years no yen hwehwem omo abotre wow no mo yen hwehwem about wa check here anye no akwa omo take your time small scale need time omo nye exploration generally so no mo tu keke see pa de baby a license for small scale 3 years one baby a large scale for ejuma e be good or but e be a said there omo swamo omo dodo
okay
no mo de asase na mai near the small scale for no nti omo de mai pe near demarket near block ti ne fe no block out here near block say aha this is small scale for nko na betumi ejuma near gazette nti uba map na obo say oh this is small scale block out area
okay
that's the meaning of the block out you block it
okay
for small scale into big banner also per last can penny so that is it two if you be Wankasa ko ho asase wo baabi oni anfo ho na ka na bibi so me akora asase bi da ha makọ check ma di unjuma nyira de penu small scale mo nyama me enu so ye common pa
okay
ana ebia baby ayen commission ye try to ho won so bi o to me prospecting after some number of years now so me come me baby
yeah
wow ana yeah, prospecting them assassin after 3 years, no just all the half some ma buying. Jemfan say amount be 90 square kilometers for prospecting. Okay. After 3 years, obe chem mienu till not the 45 ama government.
Okay, now what for 45?
After another 3 years, I saw chem bio. Inte nyeke ni no mo use. Inte after 3 years, no they buy. I saw them report. Ni ejuma o year for last 3 years, and they might so me chem mienu. Yeah, my 100 square kilometers, me 100.
Yeah.
Me percent me continue 50. The other 50 no, me the Minerals Commission back. Into the Maya, all the report me about good or ha, but me percent me share ha mo into the monfa. Me block it.
Only per man a bit chim.
Yeah, one of it decide. You find say mount be 50 kilometers.
Yeah.
Because say my age must 3 years in here. Me percent me share ha mo into a but it's okay.
Okay.
Not the Maya. Sometimes all the Maya cry the geological survey. No Maya should further. Yeah, block it. And this is how we get the money. We get the land for small scale.
Yeah.
But under normal circumstance, they say a pan say a geological investigation. So say I shall say this kind of geological survey, it means one my UMAT, some investigation. And my I say a 2-year book. But small scale money exploration. And just say yeah, G2 say yeah, near blocking out near their mom. I make us a mature company be or central region. We are for some number of years, someone who good can see a visa, but I got them say for about. Just okay, only by my near and for more.
Okay.
Only my no. My district officer no call assassin so called check here. Non file report and go for him a war a then a cost yen organize you properly near mom lines and near mom good catcher.
Yeah.
Says yeah, report no buy no. Report na company in my no.
Okay.
You find surrender report almost surrender.
Yeah.
You find say good no nam ha. Small scale for no ha baby. A new crop omonya koli kakrebi. Wow. Yeah. What does that tell you? It tells you say a small scale miner, say a responsible miner. Geological investigation is everything.
Okay.
In say you know, ya from Makasem say ahana good no. Moon forming association, moon forming cooperatives. Nyan chiche mamo 25 acres.
Okay.
Ya kwa mamo good catch account. So that means that every year be to me pesika the two near the year investigation. That means we be instead of we be sorry because you see with my investigations are high
yeah.
You find say a higher 40 square kilometers. It be a good no. Other than that, see dear, small scale dear, no more try error.
Okay.
Or two akakra na. Well, lucky now, I'm friend be busy. No hit, okay, so my hitty rock no. Na once na amount for about.
Okay.
To say once na be visa. Yeah. But kwa na ohunhua na wa change course. See crowd the Burkina for the almost bibi metal detector. Into omodi na me na. Eno crowd so cause galam say serious. Into nyati kepe oh
ebi wa ha.
Oh now fast kabita na we two. No asam na egu chemicals in the aya omodi yam no. Into onya kakrebi no ko. Inti as a nation, as a country, I say a pesika. Say government so my iska.
Okay.
But government are here to himself, the air canoe and the crepa, I say, say, no, sir, no, himself, good, no, until you confine them to that specific place. That's why me, last time, Asia, because I said, me prefer small scale now or extreme hopper, because I know you're localized, one place. So, what you made, did you be 20 years, 15 years, no more, cutting guy underground, bongo so underground, almost no more, you want to say, takwa. Tina chesa ano na takwa mine yenye ne o na the first railway line brofo no see here from second takwa to Takwa.
Yeah.
What was the reason for building that railway line? To carry machinery.
Okay.
To be able to exploit the good at Takwa. Yeah, underground.
Yeah, sure.
So that's the first thing in terms of the structure.
Okay.
Then said the America, you know, into Uber now where you need that one a block right here. All lodge application we are officer no be fraud. Until last year or so, this is a work office, it be a Takwa office, Konongo, Achimda, and Aboga office, and Bibiani. Wow, yeah, office is in Kenya, I said, Debbie. Now, and one said, wait, me, tell them my application. Into your application, you open your call from the office and say, bra for inspection.
Okay.
Small scale, may church or process, in the licensing process. Small scale, dear. This is Minerals Commission district officer, no? Or a mining engineer, and the deputy geologist. This is almost the Okwa assassin, no son.
Okay.
Even it's only, I am for only. More committee no kakra still even if and then friend say ufin
Asante Mampo
yeah friend say upese mo ye committee man kra na mo nya mo ba o yin no lead mu kra still yes officer no ko assassin then friend say o yin this assembly ni e bia komo anya je to me say yen so be committee man there Modi tum we are as officer no do ko assassin so.
Okay.
Non ko inspection in your presence. Wow, no ka jo so misensia aha no. E ben so do nti yi say film. O yi film a betimi happen. Nti obi won so obi onye 25 acres near for small going to be there obi ho 16 acres.
Yeah.
E be kra 10. E be kra 15. And e be ka jo say no. In fact, ahanya Eben or Fin and Prad and one of the tributaries I feed one of these rivers. If you ain't in Yampene.
Okay.
Until now, BBO. That's one. And now it's a hilly place. A Krubi or down Hosa.
Yeah.
And now here a basin so tall. And now we see Portuguese are flooding.
Yeah.
Everything will happen. You will fall down and it's too hilly Yampene. And now be a share map no oh yeah they call field oh at the forest.
Okay.
Nti sorry copy baby for and now we see Ramsar site. Say Ramsar site is all over the country.
Yeah.
And yeah Peshi Lago and Sakumo on Kwane Ramsar site there be. And now if you are in na this assembly so aha no ye the development be ntino.
Okay.
There be and na be krono dodo. It's too close to the town. Noise needs animal and pollution in does. Into a 1 year can say, oh, since small scale radio and me approve it into the pub before. And I can also try the other side. Wow, and I can say, look, go and look for another area. And one, but called Danny, Danny open no coegalam say. Some of them take the advice and look for another place.
Okay.
But do not, especially BB or a hoyer there. Obe Danny go forward men film 12 midnight no akoshe ho no mo sure no mo galancy so that is the first thing in the office I know G2 me say oh to me your money bibia okay na or the letter too soon now I upload it first and this or any EMS I better take it 3 days but or loading is here within seconds they be head office. Because district office be any head office be regional connected to internet.
Okay.
Into your load deeper within seconds a bit pop up. Into director no and be check okay penny the command minister. That is a requirement.
Okay.
Who in answer be chair so sky the be there say cry there. Mamika be mean sure.
Okay.
A buying say obema machine. Opening.
Small scale miners.
Yeah, be more machine. Code catcher. Me say ene.
Yeah.
Be cry me the picture and bet you DC will receive 3 gold catchers on behalf of the people of Boli.
Okay.
Your office and no one or inspection will send nipa be 3,000. Egu fam home yejuma. Go 3,000. Don't we any galamsey. But say minister, government say no responsible mining.
Yeah.
nti ye ko check bibia ne so e kwan da won sisi no ye be regularize am omo ni agi too much.
Wow.
To be promoted, you the good catcher bebrem. Munjai mercury. Mercury more than 40%. Good catcher 99.
Wow.
Yes. Inti the machines no corner assembly for na keep it. Near the command DC.
Yeah, almost rent more mana.
There be the command DC don't keep you all for now. Inti the office and Minas Commission officer no bear 3,000 for now. Our grounds, yeah, organize you into cooperatives groups. Wow, so more dress it properly, PPE, no more see office, no more changing room, washroom. Omo so cry, but more must dia 2 ball.
Okay.
Now bongo ye 2 ball mom. She say nko omo mo kwa be izu ball.
Minus ne ball.
Yes, because it's far from town.
Okay.
Wow, and ebi abole ebi in the next 1 month or 2 almost structures ni be ready. Yem page na hoji ana bibi basa. So we well organized. They ready pe e bobo minister man. Me ameko mako inspection na maka so o ma en fe o me be 3,000 wa obi a she PP o ma dress fine. Say dey how ye be launch amu hotel so. Ya mo gold catch e be demonstration bibia. Bongo crowd dey o mo ye tugu no. Ya mo ya me good o mo yen small. Me o picture no wa. Inti bowling for mu team ya ba.
Yeah.
Why is in so me the 2 akoshe ho.
Okay.
Bongo so kwa de me mo 2. Inti say we na aban kan board no mu 2 a mo to ma government.
Okay.
E be to no. Say the to no na.
Sure.
Yes. Inti say the name is samba. It's a taxi we can pay.
Yeah. So it means
so you look at it carefully because bongo so no me galamsey illegal miners or be prospecting lines no me adwuma also. And yeah demarcate or nice you know mukasa ya no mopini no we underground.
Yeah.
Yeah penny almost you kind of moon giants and almost stop here. Yeah we krata bibia minister signing license you know fine almost see containers. I almost structure me go pictures. Into me bus studio next time you be show bibia me ya chrem. Organize now. Into no na nkofo so galamsey no ye njai dan e menti ase because na bongo for mu ye galamsey bongo son se sie obi antumi nkochi omo so jani bi anko se o make flash because omo kata wow bole ye be ya ma omo why is ye be ya ma omo last na ngai se ye ko zi a France or bibisa or amanfi east ho but na minister call baby intino ya postpone ye ba ko ya ma omo. See the more good catcher, beba. Yeah, they are more money.
So near what kind of
very small scale.
Young share them say in the next few years to come, Galamsey will be a thing of the past.
Yes, I'm happy you said the next few years because young cars say a bit me 2 as here.
Yeah.
Unim, adiano a corner 2.
Okay.
2 ways. 1. In Sony dear, say pra, brim, and cobra, don't go there.
That's the red zone.
Red zone, menko forest ho.
Okay.
Nti no opa ko ya di soldiers no ba be 2.
Okay.
Ya ba be chill. Say kwa be ya di almost 2 jail. So don't go there yempene. But e be more so den. You understand? I'm sure if Christ should even come right now and say, look, let's go to heaven. And there's gold here. Some people will still say, no. So that one military for Ejumano,
okay.
They are constantly going to some of these areas, clearing them.
Okay.
But whilst this is going on, government in Siobia quite on to me mining. Okay. You see, come and do responsible mining. The Minerals Commission, Ejumano. So you come, you have a pepper biama. A bank to say, oh, and you say my pepper biama, me some mao, my fa. Ghana government, your taxpayers' money, my top machine, papa be made by mouth, Koyejuma, na betia. Miss Young pay opening. Into bongo say, ya momo machine too. Omu tiemi.
Yeah.
Bole, and then a misaka picture no. DC or bar. That's it. 3 good catcher. May train almost structures with nice because I say, yeah, oh, some of the small scale site to call crowd for say. Maybe a large scale. Fair, come on. You follow BB operational manual. Until next time, you be pictures, videos of some of these well-organized community mining schemes. This is what government is saying. And small scale community mining, launch here, illegal.
Okay.
So community mining, small scale licenses, any other type of licenses I have from community mining. Maybe it is a community mining license.
Small scale licenses.
Yes, why community? Okay. As much as possible, all my moving pattern to me, no more so many baby. So called bongo, moving pattern.
Okay, so Tibo, we bet me free one community across the other, just as the aye.
Now, so Tiakra. Yeah. Also, Ufia and Santi Mampo. Yes. Monqua and Santi Fonquanity. Some more sing for before. Yes. In Carfor and Sandetti. Me free rara, me na me continue. Okay. Into Bassa obey came man, quando. Okay. So I got you can live and work anywhere. Okay. You don't need to come from the community. Okay. But as much as possible, do in the past, no bona in Kofa, you see shopping around no copy pen as I say, or the Abania Yaman. But the community can get up. So the chiefs are organizing people, the assemblies are organizing people. Okay. Certain elders in the community are leading people. You know, more. And trust me, Mama can be being sure I now more for me. Small scale. Okay. They are the most organized group in this country. Wow. Me na make sure. Small scale miners, they are more organized than organized labor. Serious. Omo association. And make no mistake. Say Omo small scale mining, say be omo go school da. Yeah. Oh, Dr. Shaho, omo lawyers. Omo treasure grow MBA. Yes. They are very educated, very organized. Omo national officers, all the regions in Ghana, omo officers. Yeah. There's omo district, etc. Almost sending messages here will be a better. My main sending message, mean fair one of the officers, small scale miners, maybe a boga, maybe a do my baby, or maybe a meeting. Oh, yeah, sure. Very organized. Yeah. Look, let me tell you something. Okay. The most, there are about 30 something countries in the world, in Africa, that are doing mining. Anybody who goes to World Bank, anywhere, who pay technical assistance to develop your small scale mining sector, they'll tell you come to Ghana. Wow. Yes. Yes, small scale is one of the most advanced in the world. And we present two phases, the worst form and the best form. Worst was saying so at the time. But Oma Moji license. Oma ya organize what Zambia Minister Baha. You call Longi Bakubo Itiwa up to now on G this also last very organized. Uko baby ko 10,000 no go no mu ejuma. Masa me tise masa kosi prat na ya okasa masa. Ana upa me from misensia. And then for say yeah banning small scale. Me say you sit in Accra, you don't know what you are talking about. Me jitum say you being try. Yeah. Adam me Ghana ni. Mitia. Sure. Enko ye in some areas. In so now mo connect tier higher. And you're fine. Until I buy born in modern, they are taking the people out of the place. And I am also proud to say that the government is also doing well when it comes to ensuring that we do small scale responsibly. Look, make me about 20 areas are omoye galamsey and ne ya momo license ya organize your momo machine omoye juma. Okay. Master, I'm not talking about something hiding somewhere in the sky. Bongo soin no moye galamsey and ne ya momo license, they are organized. Bole yeba machine no in advance. Me say ne na officer no deal which are sending me. Okay. Why is yebeko? So this is the kind of thing my minister and the president is talking about. Responsible small scale mining. Until there are several thousands of people that the Ministry Minerals Commission has taken from illegal, the realm of illegality, to legality. Or properly. Okay. Good no see echo buy ho.
Minerals Commission
because yen to me in fact good catch ma illegal miner.
Sure.
There be yen fa magalam say for. Inti na me see DC no keep it.
Okay.
Se see office anu your demarcation. Boli asem na meken yo. Boli Savannah region. Your demarcation ye organize you 3,000 and more in a good grounds ho. Inti ye ka say omo ye galamsey for enne ye be ye no correct amo machine no code dada AV3 no cry bia na ko be 5.
Okay.
Since omo be yam good omo be yam more good.
Okay.
They'll be recognized omo with your taxes. Ejuma o na 3,000 that's employment.
Yeah.
So coming back to the time na dey PGI and so no say na incorporate your definitely bring no yamba galamsey say you don't know what you are talking about. Yeah, you want to say you are talking about 3 to 5 million people. There are more people doing small scale mining than cocoa farming. That's why cocoa baby ajay cocoa mining. I'm not saying people should not do cocoa, so I chill crow away.
Sure.
You understand that? You are talking about small scale mining in TED. I need to do this public education. Now I'm frontiers here. Be G2 say nyama bi, but we are correcting. I'm just giving you several examples of how government is ensuring responsible mining. The evidence are there. We are journalists.
Sure.
Yeah. So when I hear people saying that you enjoy small scale, me say, then you are asking that the rural economy should collapse. Okay. Now Bongo Swing, now we are in the dry season. We are mining.
Yeah.
They are waiting for the rains to come sometime later in the month. Then. Eh? See enjoy small scale miner. Then Takwa, that means who go chrono.
Yeah.
Even large scale. Konongo, all those places. So the message the government is sending across is that we will let you do it responsibly.
Okay.
Now, Nemo in sooner it is a brown royal gold in a million no dear. And now Ghana form so TV na omubufua. And Kofaka say yen jais mo yen bani mania. In sooner you so TV na ye hunu to 7 million. And no bufu until kasa.
Sure.
But you're talking about 3 to 5 million people. It's small scale mining. There are some places in Ghana here, they don't understand anything apart from mining. So I am not encouraging galamsey. I am not saying that, what do you call it, I'm endorsing galamsey. But my job, Minerals Commission, this government institution, me down, me jumano say and we are doing it. It will take some time. But the same Ghanaians,
okay.
12 midnight, okay, then opera.
But we saw us when na outread so. So being your license free mo no ko na ohene ne kroma for se omo empene. Na akudie wa asase na se. Ye hwe be create nyuma maamanfo.
Me say na okra say dear president aka ye share info no nti time na ye share info na ye share DC for na info say we talk shop me ngintum. Baby, say no. She na abana ansana ye be my license no ye ni info ni nya transit. Na say kwa mu na mu lead.
Yeah.
For this committee mine and all those umpa ye ntumi enforce no.
Sure.
Say krom ho omo krom ho say o ye de ye mpe e wo force na den as then say oba say papa we meet me ware no.
Yeah.
Oh, this all force na na de wo bon kwa na wakoku ni ho.
Yeah.
So when they say they don't want mining, we can't force them.
Okay.
The most important is better transit.
Okay.
Nana, with subjects problem be one. Ebia because last or any say oh now show boys ni takwa.
Yeah.
But the eventual opinion because your mom license, your mom good catcher or no one say demonstration so new whole crown on me like in a rock. And so it's okay. Well, into education okay.
But Abani Martin Koku ACO de ma Minerals Commission. Now train so yet a no aba na wie ye. Yebesa akoso atoaso saa ni ate ho asese responsible mining na aban e kan wan kana no fafa keke. Waka odi nwuma e taye kire se be ya no moye no ebe wie nyina ye. Be dey akwasensia. Nyame ya do na wo twese ne yebesa de ahia. Background.